Hey, what's up?
What's up, Alex?
What's up? Trying to get Tuck to join. Thank God he answered.
Yeah, dude, Atlassians.
I was so sick of hearing it. I was so sick of having to deal with everyone else. You know what I mean? Ugh, spam and stuff.
Like, what? They were a hiring company who give people.
No.
Like,
Hey, Tuck.
oh, hey, Doug. Hey, okay, he can't hear us.
Oh, okay.
He's connecting. Yeah, he connected his audio. Just muted.
Hi, Tuck. How are you? You can tap right here. Just chat right here. See a little chat thing
The Zoom chat.
right here. Where's Tyron?
He is coming.
Okay. You want to go ahead and show maybe Tuck some of the stuff we're working on right now or something? Tuck, did you see the chat option? Okay, he can hear us. Okay, cool. All right, Roshan, you have the, did you see the chat thing pulled up, Rosh?
Yes.
All right, cool. So we're gonna go over some things, okay? Let's see, Tuck. You know, we'll call him. He doesn't want to be called Tuck, though. Can I call you Z? I think Z would be easier for me. Like,
Why are you typing? He can hear us, right?
I know, but I want to see.
Hmm.
Can I use Z? Oh my gosh. Can I call you Z? Hey T.
Hey Alex,
How's it going?
Rosh, you there?
Yes.
Hey Zhang, are you there?
Yeah, he's gonna type.
Okay.
I'm gonna see if I can call him Z. All right, cool. So we'll figure that out though, as far as like the language goes. I mean, I think maybe he's like embarrassed or something, but I promise you that we will not be judgmental at all.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So, all right. Okay, so we're using the wireframe. So I thought we already had the wireframe pretty much down. Or was that just for
No,
the app?
Alex, because no, because you know, we have to change all of the content because our thing has changed, right? So we have to change the wireframe flow also.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're still keeping.
And
I mean, obviously, we're gonna
and
go ahead.
yeah, also if you like the single page design, I mean, I thought you liked the single page design.
I
We
do.
can move to that if you want to.
Yeah. What did you guys think? What do you think, Roche? Do you like the single page?
Yes, it was nice. But
Yeah, because we
are
already
we
have this
sticking to
another
that?
thing. Sticking to what?
Roche.
Yes, but are we sticking to that? Like
Sticking to
single
what?
page design.
It's between you and T. I mean, actually, it's between T and Z.
Yes, yeah, that's it.
I mean, we can think in two standpoints: SEO standpoint and design standpoint. Design-wise, a single pages look pretty good, but SEO-wise, multi-page. So it's up to you, Alex.
What's up to you guys? I like how Dog Studio was set up because when you go to like look through the I don't explain it. Z, what do you think? Like I don't know how we're gonna do this with like the language thing. Can you at least message? Can you at least like type back or something so we know that you're listening or something? Okay, that might be a problem. Good job, Max. Stop. Okay, so
Okay. So I think can we get started on the wireframe then?
yeah, of course. Yeah, let's do that. Actually, I found some good wireframe templates too, by the way. If you Google like wireframe templates and stuff.
You can get that on Figma itself. Did right click plugins and there's this plugin called wireframe. You can
Yeah.
get the basic wireframes for each and everything, but then you can't use it actually. It's just for you to look and design your stuff.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We should all do one right now together. Like, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like, you should
Yeah.
put someone should share the screen and put up like the wireframe and type in like what we think.
Can I do that?
Yeah, of course. Max, stop.
Can you enable that thing, Alex?
Yeah. Do right now. Okay, go ahead. Z, it'd be nice if you could message us back, please, or something.
Screen share. Okay. By the way, Alex, this was for Al's site. So I thought of a single page design. What do you think? Single page or multi-page for this?
Single page or what? Oh, for Al.
Yeah.
I can't tell. Where is that? Is it the login or I can't tell? Oh, it looks good.
I mean, this is just the wireframe kind of thing.
Have you guys talked recently?
Nope.
Oh. Yeah, I think that's great. I think it looks great.
Yeah, but he told me that he's gonna send in what all stuff he does, a pic of his and other stuff. So I have to fill it once he sends it in. I've messaged him yesterday. Let's see if he replies today.
Oh, Ivan.
No.
Then?
Alex's
Oh,
friend.
the other Alex. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Oh, it's
Okay.
my friend. It's my friend.
So
Yeah, go
okay, guys, I think we need to decide on these 3 points. I just did this right now. So once we decide with these three stuff, we can separate ourselves into one team which does the UI kit. Just the UI kit. UI kit meaning everything from our color palette to our fonts to our icons, what all icons. Roshan, listen.
Yes.
So icons, what all icons we are going to be using in the in our user section, that thing, and also on our site. I think it'll be good if we ourselves design it and not get the icons from some website. You get it, right?
I was reading a thing that even said it's okay to like use other websites as like inspiration. There's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, like that, but not copy. Is that what you mean?
Yeah. No. I don't mean copy. I mean, see, the website Envato that has a lot of icons, but then I fear that we should kind of design our own icons because we can show people that, see, look, we design our own icons. You don't have to go to someone else and get your icons done. We can do that.
Yeah, we can do our
ourselves.
own. Yeah, we can do our own icons and stuff. Yeah, I can
And
try. But
yes,
yeah, it's just, our site has to be badass. Okay, like our site has to be epic. All right, it has to be like
yep, agreed.
it has to be like really good animated, like to where when everyone sees that Dog Studio, they're just like blown away. Like there's no one who could ever deny us if they see that we did something as great as that. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
that's why it's so important, but as well as
So,
keeping it simple.
okay. Yeah, true. And if that's the case, I think we can stick with a single page design. So everyone's fine with that?
I think that's like the new thing. I mean, I don't. What do you think, Rosh? You think it's like single
What do you
page?
think? Yeah.
Single pages are good, but
But
depends on exactly what you want to do, dude.
I need opinion.
if we need something like what Alex showed, the Wolf thing, Dog Studio thing, that is a single page thing, but I stress on single page for now because see, we're gonna do a lot of stuff on our landing page.
Yes,
And
that's
if we do multiple pages, if people go to the next page and it's gonna be pretty simple and blah blah blah, it's gonna kind of
Well,
so I thought
actually, we have to, because what about our project management tool?
sorry, didn't get you, Alex.
Or like our
the project management tool, the thing, the chat thing.
Our
remember?
yeah.
We're gonna still have a project management tool, right? Obviously, because that's gonna be
Yep, we are gonna link that. We are gonna link that to our landing page.
okay.
Yep.
Z, I mean, can you guys help me out? I don't know what to say. I don't know if he's like listening or so our
And what is it? Okay. Yeah. Message him. And guys, so we need to decide on these three stuff now. Sorry. What did I type over there? Check it for now.
Okay, so hopefully he answers. I mean, I just said I would send him some money too to get him started. You know what I mean? So like, hey, did that go
Yeah.
through with you guys, by the way?
Yes, we got it.
Oh, look, okay, it says Tuck said, yes, I'm listening now. My hearing skills are poor, but I can see screen sharing, guess a bit. Hearing skills. Okay, because maybe because I speak really fast. And okay, so
Yeah. Can we get started?
yeah, I mean, it's gonna be obviously important. Our front developer is gonna have to be able to like communicate with us, like a little bit at
Yeah,
least.
that's
Because I
true,
mean,
Alex.
he says, yes, you are speaking fast, so I cannot understand well. Okay, so
Okay.
can you talk to Tyron and Rush then at least? Because can you guys talk to him maybe? Like I talk fast, maybe you guys can communicate with him, or like you need to communicate with front end with Tyron. You don't have to speak very, very good English. At least like
Yes.
yes or no. Or like he says he can understand Tyron. Okay, so Tyron, he says you can understand you so far. Tyron, who your partner will be. You'll be working with Tyron. So Tyron and say hi. Hi.
Hi, Zhang.
Yes, that's Tyron right there. So
Yes.
yes, okay. So if you
Okay.
could please try to communicate a little bit would be really helpful. Like just
Yeah.
by talking out loud, just yes, no's, like anything. Just,
Yep. Okay. So can we continue? All of you guys?
yeah, try to communicate with Z. Z, so do you understand what we're doing right now?
But why am I not able to open the chat while I'm sharing my screen? Because I'm not able to open it. Click on chat, nothing pops up.
It's okay, the chat thing's not gonna work. He's gonna have to learn how to communicate at least a little bit on voice, or it's not gonna work.
Yeah. Roshan, any idea why it's not opening up? Roshan. Hey, Rosh, are you there?
I'm there. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Why isn't the chat thing opening up? Okay, it opened up. Fine.
He said he's gonna connect his mic soon, so that's good. Okay, thank you so much. We really appreciate that, Z. So, all right, Tyron, go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, so the first thing I really need you guys to answer is what's there and what isn't at launch. At launch, what we're gonna have, what we are not gonna have. Yep. What's the first thing?
What does that mean? Like, what do you know what we're gonna have next up? Okay,
So yeah, Alex.
okay, so what we're gonna have. Can you explain yourself, please?
So once we launch the site, what all should be on the site?
There's a lot of stuff, T. That's like, what do you mean, like, what should be on the site? our services, like, is that what you mean? Like our services, stuff like
Yeah,
that?
what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do at launch?
You sure this is how you make a wireframe?
Yeah. I mean, I need the answer to this question to continue with the landing page.
What did Ivan put in yesterday? Do you guys have that paper that he put in?
Roshan downloaded it. Roshan, do you have
Yes,
it?
I did. It's in
Yes.
Madam T.
I'll grab it.
Business. Okay, no,
Can
wait.
you put it on the chat?
Is it
I'll
on,
put
where
it-
is it? The drive?
No, I'll put it.
Okay, thank you.
File upload from my computer. Done. Where is it?
I think we should just follow that. That seemed pretty simple.
Action plan.
Hey,
open.
Tuck, Z said done. So, hi, Z.
Hello? Hi, Zhang.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you, everybody?
Hi.
I'm Tuk.
Yep.
Uh,
How are you?
I can hear your voice and so I can see your screenshot.
Okay.
I understand your wireframe of it.
Yeah.
So I can understand Taurin's voice of it, but Alex's voice is very fast, so it is difficult to understand. But
Okay.
I can guess wireframe and situation about the project.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
cool.
Sure, Alex.
Fine.
Okay. So, yes, Zhang. So I think Roshan, once we get this one answer done, we can move on to the actual design of wireframe,
Yes.
because
Okay.
for me to know what to come on the landing page, I need to know what's gonna be there by launch. So what's the first thing?
Static websites. Right.
We are still
I-
doing static
I-
websites, right?
Yes, we are doing. Yeah, dude, that's the
Okay.
best starting point.
Then
You want it? Like I gave the business plan, right? It's right there. Check.
idea kickoff, wireframing, UI design.
No,
concept
down.
kit.
That's the other
That's the
thing.
plan which Ivan
That's
sent.
what
Like,
Ivan
send
said.
yours.
Yes.
Send
I
yours.
sent in open Discord.
Yeah.
Go to business. It's a business
Sources.
resources. Look at that. No, business discussion. I guess it's in business discussion.
Yep.
Yes.
Hey,
That's
real
it.
quick, guys. Does he know like what we are doing? Like what are we even doing? Like what our website? Maybe he can give us opinions if like he
Who?
knew
Ivan.
what we were doing.
No,
Who?
Zhang.
Tak. Okay, Zhang.
Yeah, Tuck.
Yeah, Tuck. Maybe like he can help us because Tuck, do you even know what we're really like? What our website, like what kind of company we are, or
Look at the bottom one, Tarun. It's complete. It's marked as completed, right? These ones.
Yeah.
These are the ones we're gonna do at launch.
What do you mean by templates?
Hey, that was just a thing. Nothing. Websites and web apps.
Static
nothing else.
websites
Don't-
and fully functional full stack web apps.
Yes. This is what we're doing.
GG.
Just that.
Okay, that's
And
what I
scroll-
wanted.
Yes, and scroll to the top.
What the heck? It doesn't copy texter.
Doesn't copy.
No, it
Are you
doesn't.
in protected mode or something?
No,
Come on.
no. Fully functional full stack web apps.
Just type it out. Just type web apps. Fine.
Web apps. Okay. And Roshan,
Yes. What?
I might be dumb, but then can you tell me what is the difference between the progress web apps, meaning it's there on your
With the
website
backend.
on a
Yes,
browser?
no. Web apps are websites with a backend. Static websites don't have a backend. Yes, that's the only difference.
Okay, so if I have something like a site where I can upload a pic of mine, so that's gonna be a web app.
Obviously, why will you? Yes, it has a backend. So understand, it has a backend.
Okay, fine, got it. So these two stuff at launch. Are we good with
Static
it?
websites
Alex?
are actually blogs and those kind of stuff. Landing
Are-
pages.
Landing pages and
Yes.
yeah.
Alex?
She said she's gonna be back.
Okay, yeah. Okay, fine.
Okay,
So,
so Zhang,
time.
what do you think about this?
I don't think this is gonna work. Hello? Like, I don't know. Like, this isn't gonna work out. He says he doesn't know. Okay, maybe we can explain to him like what we're about. Like, because if we can't communicate, guys, it's not gonna. It's not gonna work. I mean, I'm not trying to be rude, but
Yeah. I get you, Alex. I get you.
which it really sucks because he's really talented and it's like what we really needed. But it's just like if you can't communicate, Z, like we can't, like you can't work with us because it's like there's nothing personal, but we have to be able to communicate with you, like even if it's not, like, I don't know. Which I think you can. I just don't know if you're shy, maybe, or like I don't know what it is. Like,
So, Alex,
yeah,
how do we continue?
I have no idea. He's not speaking. I don't really know what to say. I guess you guys just continue. I will be right back. I have to go do some. Just give me 5 minutes, okay? I'll be back.
Cool. No problem. No problem. So, Roshan, how do we continue? So we have what we need to do, and we can
You got
probably.
your answer.
Yeah, I got my answer. I got this answer, single or multi-page. So what all we're gonna have on the static side, depending on these two, I can fill it out. So that's
Okay.
not a big problem. And okay, static websites and fully functional web apps. So if I come to you, Roshan, and ask you, I need an app, a web app where people can put in their images, edit it, change the color, saturation, the hue, the cropping it. Can you do that?
Like a photo editor.
Can you do that?
See, like adding images fine, but editing images you'll have to look at other APIs.
APIs. Okay.
Yes, because
So APIs will get the work done, right?
depends on what APIs you're looking for.
Yeah.
Because some,
Because
right, some APIs
yeah,
are very highly priced.
yeah, that's true. So wait, that cost is given by the client or what?
What? I didn't get you.
Yes, to afford those APIs, does the client pay for it?
That depends actually.
Because look,
If we are doing it for them,
yeah.
we can do that, no issues. Like we can ask them a payment or something like.
Or instead of asking them, we need to buy a API, so pay us this much, so and
So
so.
we
No,
can.
we can
So
just
it
include
depends.
that in our cost.
Because what if another what if another client wants something like that? So it's good if we have the subscription so that we can use it for other people and we can
Okay,
save
makes
money.
sense.
So at the
Makes sense.
starting, I think we should ask the clients for it. And as we move on, like we can see, so we'll get analytics, right? We can see
Yeah.
what kind of clients are coming. So based on that, we can see. We'll think of that later. But for now, clients are paying us, nothing else.
Okay, clients are paying. Okay, fine.
Yes, for the
Because
API.
yeah, I asked this question because if I put in something like we make web apps and people will come up with all sorts of ideas for their web apps and we should be able to cater them. That's the reason.
True.
Yeah. So Roshan, we can split up into parts and one to just speed up the process. One can jot down the wireframe for each and everything. Since we are having just the landing page, it's just gonna be one page. I need sections. You get it right? Like you remember, right? We did sections.
Guys, Tug said he's
Yes,
gonna try to
yes,
talk. Okay, he says he doesn't
Okay.
yes.
mind. Hey, Tug, Z, go ahead with your opinion. Or right now we're doing a wireframe. So right now, Tug, we're doing a wireframe. So what was your guys' question?
Um, Roshan answered it, Alex.
Okay, like, Tuck, what's your opinion?
And then it's like a
What
test.
do you say? Is
Yes,
our idea a
yes.
good one
Roshan,
or a
ask him
bad?
about this idea.
Yes, is the idea a good one or a bad one, right? Like, am I audible? Like,
Yeah, you're audible.
I thought I was unmuted.
No. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Fine, chuck it.
Did he speak? Is he speaking? Can he not hear us or something?
Oh.
No, yeah, he's
Yeah,
I'm listening.
Perfect. What's your opinion, Tuck or Z? What do you think?
Oh, I saw my friend in the uh, first at first we make HTML and CSS page very well because uh, correct HTML page should be include animation. So um, it is important to make HTML and CSS in clearly and to be useful. So if this uh, I can speak in my opinion. So it is important to if it is possible, may I make HTML and CSS piece depending Figma design. So excuse me, Tauren,
yeah.
uh, uh, did you make a wireframe complete wireframe?
The thing is, no, Zhang. We have to because see, we had this site already, but then our basic plan for that site was completely customized websites, and everything in that site was related to websites. But the thing now is, we have to focus more on full stack web apps also. So we're gonna have to change the layout pretty drastically. So I think we have to start from a basic wireframe again and decide what all parts go into the static homepage.
I see.
Yeah.
Um,
Did you
my
get the answer?
a bit.
Okay.
My opinion is follow that we it is important to make front end using Bootstrap, using framework such as Bootstrap. So uh, we make a response page at first. And anyway, I would like to go on after complete Figma design.
Oh, sorry, I didn't get you in the last part. Can you just type the last part, Zhang? Sorry, but I didn't get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would like to continue after the completed Figma design. Uh, so I mean, I'd like to see Figma design. So I can understand the wireframe that what you say. So
Yeah.
who who can make Figma design? Tauren?
Yes.
I see.
Okay, so you need something more than a wireframe to work with, right? So see, we'll not just stop with wireframe. So what we will do is we're gonna give something like this, something like a design like this. So yeah, so if we give this to you, you can code this out into a site, right?
Oh,
Something like this.
Yeah, let's give him an example of what we want. We don't want this though. No, we don't want
We
this.
don't want this. Just giving you an example. Yeah.
Yeah, we want like the dog
And
studio.
yeah, but again there, Zhang, we can help. We will completely help you code it also, but you should be the guy doing the animations, like complete animated stuff, like uh What was that site name again?
Dog Studio. What's it
Yes.
called?
This is the one.
Click on. Yeah, that's the one.
Yes, this is the one.
Yes.
So, yeah. So we can help you code all of these. There's parallax scroll going on, and the pretty much the background is just the animated part, and the background for the text is completely transparent. So we can help you all of that, but we need the animations completely done by you. So yeah, you get it, right? Do you get it? Like, do you get what I mean, Zhang?
Uh, uh,
You have to like
may
help us
uh,
do the animations.
may I explain about those studio now?
I did not get you.
May I explain about dogstudio.com?
He wants to
Yeah,
explain about Dog Studio.
yeah.
Oh,
Sure. Go on.
I have developed similar Dog Studio site. So
Okay.
now Dog Studio is working depend on three dots and G-Sharp animation. So uh, as we can see, Dog Studio now. Whirlpool animation is implemented on Canvas. Canvas positive in position absolute. No, position fixed, and this is fixed background, and other text and image overload on the screen. So
Yeah, that's true.
oh yes. So if we completed HTML page include text and image, now uh, 3D animation such as Wolf animation, uh, it is I think it should be made by Blender or other 3D making tools. No, at first, I think it is important to make clearly HTML page, uh, then making something animation.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Okay, Zhang.
current page used to be scroll magic animation. So main animation is used based on GISA or anim that is but scroll events is used to from scrollmagic.io. Have you ever used scroll magic?
I mean, I haven't used it, but so we had this designer back then. We did not
Oh,
use Scroll Magic actually. We there's this thing on Webflow, right? Do you know Webflow?
I know Webflow.
Yeah,
But
there is a scroll trigger like by Webflow, right? It is their own plugin. We used that. We did not use the scroll trigger on GSOC.
um,
Yeah.
is my in my experience, I
Yeah.
have tried to excuse me. In my experience, I have tried to insert animation into Webflow page, but Webflow is uh, useful to make HTML, make web page and design, but it is difficult to insert animation because Webflow generates generates many elements and uh, very complex HTML structure. So uh, we can make you can make many other web pages in websites, but I prefer for HTML page for only landing page. Because landing page includes many animations and scroll events. So I think we should make only landing page using for HTML bootstrap libs. I can we I think we can make websites using Webflow because Webflow support many. Webflow is very useful and external maintain each. But I recommend for I recommend
Yeah.
not to use Webflow only for only landing page. Did you get my opinion?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
you
I
got
think
it.
I got your opinion. Yes. Okay. Roshan, what do you think?
I will have to see
Tilda.
like I don't know, dude.
Okay. So how do we continue now?
What's going on? What did he say?
Roshan.
What did he say?
He's yeah,
Carry-
yeah. Tell Zhang. Zhang wanted to say something now.
My my opinion is follow the poster. You can make other pages, for example, contact us and main logic pages. Uh, I think this uh, Taoren
Yeah.
Taoren can make these pages by Webflow. So I can make a landing page or I can make only landing page by G Sharp and Bootstrap. Because landing so I mean we can make landing page separately from other pages.
Okay.
Okay. Karen,
So he's thinking of having a multi-page design. That's like one landing page, and then each of the call to action on landing page takes you to different pages. Is that right, Zhang?
But I would like to uh, I would like that you make a Figma design for landing page.
Okay. Okay.
I think we need one page of that, right?
Yeah, I'm too kind of confused.
Okay, so I don't know, guys. This is like, project manager or not project manager. The project manager can't make us get creative. You know what I mean? Like, so it's like, this is pretty much up to us. It doesn't matter project manager or not. Like, we have to be able to figure this stuff out.
Yeah. Sure.
You know.
Yeah.
I think that we're overthinking it.
You think so?
Yeah, I think we are. I think we're overthinking it. I think we're overthinking it. I think that our design alone was really, really good what we had before, and I think we're trying to like. I think we should do okay. Let's show them this. How about this? What about the recap? Z, did you see that one? The recap. The recap after use.
The website.
You just type recap after use, you'll get it.
Yeah, I'll do it right now. I'm gonna send it to him right now. So go to your the chat. Yeah. Z, what about this?
Oh, recap animation is easier than Dogs Studio. This is only
See
2D
this?
animations.
See how this moves right here though? See like the computer, it still moves. Like there's still stuff within this computer that moves.
Yeah.
This is
It's usually supposed to move.
recap. This animation is only 2D animation. This is used to main SVG animation. So,
Okay, but just
This is-
listen real quick. See those colors? Go scroll up, Taryn, real quick, please. Scroll up.
it is
See the colors of the computer? Where's the
They're
computer?
on the laptop.
The laptop.
Wait.
See this laptop?
my computer is desktop.
No, not your desktop. No. See this right here? See this color, this computer? See this, this. Do you see the design? Can please someone help me? This design right here, like this right here. Do you see this computer? This design of this computer? You like this, do you see the computer in front of our screen right now? Do you see this? Do you see this purple and pink computer? Right here?
Alex,
Yes.
do you think this is gonna work out this way?
I don't think so. It's not gonna work out. I can't because I don't have the patience. I think that if he typed it out, it'd be easier, but he refuses to type it. So I don't know. I don't know. Like I don't.
Yeah, because yeah.
Yeah, I think that he's very talented, but I don't know the communication. Something personal. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think the communication is gonna be too hard for us. I think it's nothing personal. It's just if we're gonna be wasting more time trying to communicate than we will actually be getting stuff done. So. Okay.
Okay, Alex, like animations like these can be done pretty much using CSS itself, I think.
What I was gonna tell him was remember, I think this right here, but then like maybe something like how, because I met a bunch of people that can do it in that one webpage, there's a room that I'm in right now that like I just posted a new thing and I've been getting like a few other responses for it and stuff.
Okay,
That so they can do like the dog studio stuff. I'm thinking like this right here, this laptop, but like in the center, like where you saw Roshan, you like the idea, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Roshan, explain. Yeah. Right, Rosh? Explain like from A to T. Like remember, like okay, so it's like it's like this, like it's in the center, kind of like where the wolf thing was, and then like when it'll be like exactly placed like where the wolf is, kind of like that.
Okay.
And then like with these cool colors and stuff, and then like go ahead.
Okay.
No, and
So
then as you
Tarun,
scroll,
yes.
go
So
no go
Tarun,
ahead.
basically, instead of the 3D dog thing, we're gonna have a
Yeah.
laptop. So it's gonna
Okay.
as soon as you open the website, the laptop's gonna be shut. As you scroll, it's gonna open and code's gonna come. I told you already.
Like you
Or-
told me already.
Or it can
Yeah.
code into a mobile, because aren't we going to do progressive web apps?
Yes.
So something like
Yeah.
that. Yeah, like where
Okay,
or
okay. So Alex is telling something like, so you open this, you see a desktop. As you start scrolling, the desktop changes to a mobile. Is that
Eh,
what it is?
something like that. Yeah, exactly. Or it
Okay.
can be like, or it can be right when you get onto the website, the screen's going to be like a phone itself, if that makes any sense. So like the screen of the computer is going to be like the screen of a phone.
Okay.
And then you can use, and then like as you're scrolling and stuff, maybe something like that. But I think the other way would be good. To where like as you're scrolling, it turns into like the code will go from the laptop and like all those cool colors and then to a mobile. That makes any
Okay.
sense. Like we'll transform into mobile or something and then back and forth. If that makes any sense. Not
Okay, so what if Alex? Okay, I got this idea right now. So see, you open it's a laptop, and then I added both of your ideas, and I got this idea. So the code is in the laptop, all right, and then Roshan, media queries code comes up on the laptop. Okay. Media queries come
Okay,
up on
but
the
are people gonna know what that is? Okay, fine. Yeah, tell.
no,
tell.
it's just gonna
Tell
show
it.
up on the laptop, and then
Okay.
you get, and as you scroll, you get something like, where's the bro? It's not even responsive, bro. What shit?
Lol. Yes, it's not responsive.
No. How do I
No.
explain that now?
GG XD.
Wait, let me try with this. I can't even inspect in this now. GG. User benchmark. Inspect elements.
I love
But
those
why
colors.
though?
I love the colors of like the green and the pinks and stuff.
Okay, so it's not working. So Alex, so something like as you scroll, the laptop basically changes into a mobile, and all of the contents are in the mobile. But then the way animation changes, that I wanted to explain, but then it's not working out properly. I can make a video on how it might
Yeah,
be.
well, yeah, and we don't want it too overcomplicated either. So like because we don't want it to be like, okay, like I hate like the don't get me wrong, the websites are cool these days that are interactive, but it's almost too much.
Yeah.
Like it's almost like too
Yeah, that's true.
much.
That's true.
It's too much.
Great.
You know
And
what I mean?
also it affects
Yeah.
performance. So yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Where you want it want you to like grab the apple and like throw the fucking apple. I was like, I don't care about the apple. You know what I mean? Like it's cool. I want to see like animations where it's pretty on the eye, but at the same
Yeah.
time, it's not like overbearing where you have to interact with it. Does it make any sense?
Yes,
True.
makes
So
sense.
yeah, so and it's also going to be optimized for because this actually looks really cool on mobile too. Recap after use looks cool on mobile.
Yeah, this one looks cool on mobile.
Yeah. And I get now why people were kind of like, what were you guys talking about something being animated on mobile? Because like for instance, even Dog Studio, it doesn't have a mobile version like that. So
Yes.
Dog Studios literally,
Doesn't-
yeah, it's just all like there's no, I haven't really seen many mobile animated sites.
Yeah.
Mm.
So ours, if we made ours, if we were people have said it's possible, even though it's hard, if we were to somehow make our mobile, obviously not as complex as our desktop version is going to be, but something as simple as like maybe like where when you're scrolling, maybe like the colors of like maybe like code, maybe like a string of code follows you down as you like as you scroll. Does it make any sense on the
Yeah,
phone?
makes sense. Makes sense.
Remember how we wanted to do it with like the ball dropping? We can do something like that,
Yes.
or like a ball of like animation or like code, like pretty code colors. Like I always love that about like code and stuff is like the colors of it. So something like that for mobile. But yeah.
Yeah, I
but
get it.
what I want to explain, if you can try to explain is he still here?
Yeah, he's still here, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's there.
We'll have to make a video and show it to him. We'll understand
See,
it.
So
try to
Alex, I'm kind of getting this language barrier.
like you don't like it?
No, I like him.
No, I mean like
It's-
not him. I mean the language. Are you okay with it or like
It's just kind of
frustrating?
the process kind of getting slow.
Well, I wish he would type it. Can he type? I mean, like if he would type, it'd be so much like.
Yeah, I
easier,
swear.
like, hey,
swear.
can you try typing? I'll be like, did you hear or understand what we are wanting?
Yes, I can hear and understand.
Okay, can you type it, please? Did you understand like what we were just said?
I saw recap is that also.
You're gonna have to type because the talking is not working. So please, can you please type? Like I don't know. I can't. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm sorry. I'm just getting kind of frustrated because like I've asked you to type it a few times and you just keep talking. So please, if you can just explain it through typing. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm sorry, but like we're wasting so much time. Like we're already like, wait, okay. So can someone else talk to him, please? I'm gonna be mean. I don't mean to be mean. I found somebody right here that said they can do it. Right here, and they're hello. Like listen, we know you're very talented, okay? Z, you're very, very talented, okay? But we're just really concerned because we're spending more time trying to communicate with you than we are getting work done, if that makes any sense. So if you're able to write back through right, because you do very good at typing, by the way. Your typing is very good. We understand your typing. That's not a problem. So if you can respond by typing and not talking, is that okay, or is that not gonna work out for you, or? Okay, so. Okay, all right, there we go. I will be right back. Okay, I found somebody I think that can help.
Rosh, you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, so basically
Looking
for
at
the landing page,
This is the
obviously,
landing page.
yeah. So obviously it's gonna have to start with what we are, right?
Got it. Yes.
And then let's move on to about us. About us, it does not need to say what we do. It just needs to say who
Just
we
the
are.
basic thing and a link to the other page. Like, are these pages
what
or
we are.
are these
No,
links?
this is the landing page. This is one
So,
landing page sections.
do you want to
Basically,
have one landing page, like, or a collection of landing pages? Like,
what do you mean
like,
collection of landing
I mean
pages?
different parts, dude. Did I
Different
get it?
parts. I didn't get you.
Thorin, may I ask one?
Yes, go on, Zang.
Um, uh, did you ever use the Adobe Illustrator for graphic animation, graphic design?
No,
Graphic
Zang.
design.
I'm not a graphic designer. I don't use Adobe Illustrator.
But excuse me, open recap website.
Yep.
Yes. Now, as you can see, pencil animation is used to SVG animation. So,
SVG, correct?
I know. Oh yes. Pencil animation. Open and close. Oh yes. So, I know a bit. I know a bit Adobe Illustrator, but if we insert similar pencil animation, we can make it for SVG, SVG for graphic design. So,
Okay.
yes. Now we it is necessary to use Adobe Illustrator for something animation. That's all.
Okay.
So,
Okay, I get you.
I last question. Who can make a graphic design?
For now, none of us did. Not me. Roshan, can you?
Nope.
No.
I don't.
Even Alex, I don't know.
Do you want to know and make what?
So,
Oh,
can you make
graphic
graphic design?
graphic
Of this
design.
pen.
No, that's what we're hoping to, but we can always outsource to somebody to do it. Like, that's not the problem. Hang on real quick. Yeah, we're gonna have to find someone. Actually, that's a good point. We do need to find someone to actually draw it out. But I mean, I was hoping that you could do both, but I mean, hang on real quick.
I mean, drawing such stuff I can do it using Illustrator, but then the animation part, nope. I can maybe do these drawings, but not the animation. Roshan, do you know that you can actually animate using Figma?
No.
There's
can?
this plugin called, yeah, you can. There's this thing called Figmation.
Figmation.
Oh,
I love it. Hey, someone else might be joining our Zoom meeting. He can do stuff like that too.
What is he? What is he?
He does GreenSock, GSAP, everything. So
Okay,
I was
cool.
gonna go over our idea and stuff like that with him too. So
Yeah, cool. Cool.
Oh, I
Okay.
mean,
Yeah.
I mean,
oh god.
graphic design. Graphic design is a statical or one-page design. If there is a correct one-page static graphic design, I can. It is extendable for dynamic design for animation. So it is I mean there is one static graphic design, the Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, but I recommend Adobe Illustrator for SVG animation, SVG file, because SVG is more light and flexible than static images of PNG or JPEG. So if it is possible to, I would like to make SVG using Adobe Illustrator.
Did you guys understand any of that? Hello?
I think.
I don't either.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Okay, so maybe it's okay, that computer that we just saw, so to get something like that, we can get someone off like Upwork or Fiverr2 to draw it for us, by the way. But we can make sure that's our idea, by the way. If that's what we for sure want our idea to be, then we need to make sure, before I get someone to do something like that. And then basically they'll go over with us to see if this is what we want. And usually they offer like unlimited revisions too, so they'll keep trying until they get it right, But basically I would just post exactly like what we were looking for in Upwork, like exactly what we want our vectors to look like our pictures to look like. And then I'll post it on a job, and then hopefully we'll have someone respond to be like, yeah, I can do that, or I can't do that, or whatever. So we should probably start there, probably trying to find I was hoping though the person who did the animation would be able to do graphic too as well, but I was also prepared for the fact that we might not get both. We might even have to hire someone separately just for illustrations. Like I said, I was hoping we could get both, but I mean, that's like, that'd be pretty, I guess, really lucky if we could find someone who did both. So I'm gonna post something then on Upwork. What should I send them? Should I send them the picture of that computer? Because we don't want to rip it off either,
Like-
though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or what kind of pictures were you guys thinking for the site would be cool? Like some code too? Should I get up some pictures?
Yes,
code?
not code exactly, something related to web development. So basically a web view of the desktop view, like a
We
tablet
can
view and
do
a
that
mobile
if you
view.
want now.
Yes.
Screenshot. Hey, so give me a screenshot of that computer. I love those colors in there. Those colors are pretty cool. So I need just give me a pile of all the pictures that you guys are thinking, so I can get the animator to meet with us and draw it for us.
Okay. So
I mean, not the
okay.
animator, the graphic designer. Sorry.
Alex, the first thing, if we want something like this, just me and Roshan, we can do this. But
Can't see
if-
I can't see your
Like
screen.
which you
oh,
start?
oh, sorry, I stopped my screen share. Roshan, don't you think we can actually get stuff like this done?
I can. But listen, you guys have to worry about other stuff. Let me get an anim.
Yeah,
let me
that's
get
true.
an,
That's true.
Yeah, let me get a graphic
Yeah,
designer
okay,
and worry about
that's
this stuff.
Hey,
So
actually,
let's
it-
screenshot this then. Let's screenshot that. Okay, I like that. That's nice. Okay, so that, and then let's just get
That
a pile.
and not this, not this, not this.
the pen.
Probably
this
not
one.
this.
Hey, bro, that's a
That-
phone. That's a phone. Scroll top.
Yeah, this is a phone, but look at the shit.
Not
It's
this
not
one.
good.
Not this one. Scroll top. Little more. This one.
Where I'm
Is
just
that a
gonna
phone?
That's a phone.
stuff like that. Okay, cool.
Yes, that's a phone. In landscape
Um,
mode. Though.
All right, cool. So
Scroll down.
what other stuff should I put?
Roshan, but this is pretty much CSS, right, Roshan?
Nothing much. Just CSS.
Yeah.
It's
Because
just
all we
hovering
have
up
is
and down.
on
It's just
hover,
hovering
there's
up
this
and down.
animation
Yes.
going on. Sorry, video
Or
going
a
on. in this
video.
thing.
Yeah.
That's not good enough. That's a good enough examples for me to find someone though, right? I'm just gonna.
Yeah, true.
Okay, cool.
But
So
then, yeah,
Yes,
just
because
make sure
yes,
to type
Alex.
what?
in. Yeah, just make sure to type in a guy who's good at designing illustrations, like good at After Effects, right, Roshan?
After Effects too, because we'll need this one, Lottie, right? Lottie.
Yes, good at After Effects.
Okay, good at After Effects. Okay, are we doing
Yes.
Lottie? I thought we were doing Green Sock.
That's
These kind of stuff cannot be done using Green Sock.
Green Sock, yeah.
You can do it, but it's complicated.
Hang on.
Lottie is simpler. You just have to export
Well, then
it.
this whole time we wouldn't even needed so this whole time we could have just used someone in Adobe.
But not the ball dropping thing. We can't do that. We can't do what else can't we do?
both of it has its own pros and cons.
Yes, and resizing. We can do the resizing too. I don't know.
Okay, then what should I put for the job post title then? Illustrator?
Illustrate, graphic designer and Lottie animator. Because Lottie, if you just type the name Lottie, you will need
Roshan.
After Effects. Without
Yeah,
After
correct.
Effects,
LOTTIE?
LOTTIE. Lottie
Roshan, so this is a
animator.
Lottie, right?
I
pen
don't
is a
know.
Lottie.
No, dude. It's done using GSAP. Yeah, just ripping apart. I mean,
Graphic
just
designer and
separating.
Lottie animator.
just
Roshan, I just
separating it.
feel this is like
No, it's not.
this is
After
one
Effects.
dev block. This is one dev block.
Not a
This
div.
just
It's a
goes above
vector.
this.
It's a vector.
I'm just giving a reference there.
Like this? Yeah?
Stop screen share, Aaron.
Yeah.
Alex is sharing.
Yeah.
I think. Yes. Lottie anime. Yes. Done.
Lottie animator.
Okay, okay, and what should I put for the what should I put right here?
We need a graphic. We need a graphic designer and illustrator who can also
Did I spell Illustrator really?
like
yeah.
graphic designer and illustrator comes
Okay,
hand in hand.
who can also
Also,
perform in
lot
Adobe After Effects or Adobe
Lottie animations in After Effects.
form.
LOTTIE,
We
Lottie
can also do Lottie.
animations in After Effects. Done. This will be enough type of freelancing rates you want.
Cool. Okay, so there we go. Hopefully we get some people that can do that. Let's see if we have anyone respond. So then maybe this whole time we didn't even need, maybe that's what's scaring people off because I can't find anyone that can do green sock like stuff really.
I don't know why did not a lot of people do green sock stuff.
Because
That's
my
there's
point.
Lottie, there's Webflow. You do it. Yes, so yeah.
Yeah, just okay.
That's the main
Saying that
reason, dude.
there's much more simpler stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
Lottie expert.
Roshan, yeah, Roshan, can you Roshan and Alex, like, yeah, can you join me on the Sigma thing? Come on,
Sigma.
the one I was showing.
Okay, I'm gonna have to.
Example.
I think. Are we done with Z or should we?
Um,
Just because he hasn't said anything like the last 20 minutes, it's just really frustrating. So Z, I don't think it's gonna work out. I'm really sorry. I'm not trying to be rude. I just, you're not really. I mean, I don't think it's gonna work out. So, okay. So how do I kick him off here? None more. Let's see. Remove. Okay, gotta go. Okay, he is gone. So.
Yeah.
No offense or anything, guys. It's just like he just wouldn't say anything. I was getting so frustrated. I can't handle stuff like that.
yeah, I completely get you, Alex.
You know what I mean?
Even I kind of felt it's kind of dragging us down. You know, the communication gap. It's
Well, and
kind
then
of
I'm telling
dragging.
him, I'm like, type, and he doesn't type. You know what I mean? It's just like, fuck. Like,
Yeah.
oh, it's so
If you would have
frustrating.
typed, we could have at least.
Exactly. You know what I said? I was like, can you at least type? You know, and he just wouldn't. He's like, no, I can speak. And it's like, okay, but then speak. Like, oh. I was trying to give him a chance, you know, I really was. I had been removed from Zoom meeting. Yeah, no shit, you've been removed from Zoom meeting. Like, come on, Tuck.
So should I kick him out of the server?
Well, hang on, let me
Tell
do
him, yeah, just tell him something like, yeah, not the guy we're looking for.
And now remove.
wait, let
And
me
now,
talk to him. He deserves for me to talk to him. Let me just finish talking to him real quick.
yeah, cool. So Roshan, you are on, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you're on.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm in.
So the first thing is proper. The second thing is proper. The third thing is also proper.
Okay.
And the fourth thing, from there we have to start discussing. See,
Mobile
our thing is
first,
we focus main on mobile, right?
Mobile. Yes. Okay.
I got that because of Alex slang. Okay. So can we put something on the site that says, see, look, we are gonna focus more on mobile because
Mm-hmm.
it's just the future. It's how people are evolving, and we can try to put out some sentences that says, look, this is the
That
reason. Okay.
proves mobile is
that
But-
proves what we are going to do is for the future.
Makes sense. Yes. So what
So-
statistics? You want stat? I don't.
No, I don't want data on there. Maybe we can put data in a very, very, very simple form.
Okay, like graphs or something. Like a graph.
Graphs might look a bit lame.
Okay, then what do you then what?
Something like just put it as a question, or do you know something like, do you know that 80% of the traffic comes from a mobile? Do you know? And then just tell this is what
Oh,
we
like a
that is
did
the
you
reason
know
why we
box.
do.
Yeah, I got it. Nice. That's a good one.
Yeah. So maybe
Hmm.
I does that need backend? So maybe we can
No, dude, no back and just
put
hard
out
code
something
to be
like
done.
facts that just. Okay, fine. No. I was thinking something like for each and every refresh, you get different facts in this section.
Just add an array and the random generate index done.
And then we have to put in those options. What all the options, right?
Hmm.
To generate one from.
So options about that we'll see later, but that's a idea. Just note it down. Where you noting it down?
I'll write it down in the. What is this thing?
Another thing.
No. Just the.
That-
Yeah. What do I type it in? Uh, raffle plus X on Y. I know.
Fine, done. Next, the contact us. So what do we
Contact
want
us.
in the contact us?
How
First,
how
our email. Like support@myonpeople.com. We'll need that.
Yeah.
We'll have to- Then what else? A phone number. Do we have a phone number? No, right?
No, we need to get
No.
one. Yeah, we need to still get all that.
Do
We need to
we
get a
want
phone
one?
number. When we get an assistant, we need like a virtual assistant or something. When we get all that, I need to get like an office set up, like a virtual office or something. But yeah, we need to get a
Yeah.
phone number.
Yeah. So Roshan, wait. Oh shit, I can't put that in. So what is that thing?
I don't know.
Why would you put it all over? Is that a biscuit?
I don't know.
Yes,
leave it.
that's a biscuit, Roshan.
That's a biscuit, actually.
It's like a partly broken biscuit. That's what it looks like. Or it looks like a Pac-Man.
I think
I'm-
it's like
I'm
a
certain that's not
sticker
Pac-Man.
on boards, stickers.
Oh, okay. Now I can see from that perspective. But I don't know. It still looks like a 3D Pac-Man without an eye. He's trying to eat the footer section. Okay. Hey, remove that, bro. What you're
Fine.
doing?
Fine. Come on. So contact us.
Contact
Our
us.
email, a mobile number, the main thing.
Email.
Mobile number.
Put that in bullet
Wait.
points. Email. And we can maybe put out a contact us form. Just having,
Contact us from. Are we having all of these in different pages or?
no, this is just the landing page.
Okay,
It's
so we're
just
doing
one
it in
stretched
React.
long
So
page.
okay, yeah, got it. One page. Oh, okay, that kind of a landing page.
So,
Okay,
so Roshan, so listen, we
just
can,
scroll down.
if,
I got it like portfolios, right? Like a developer's portfolio. So most of them.
yeah, on
just-
the top, if I
yeah,
click on features, it should scroll down to features.
Yes,
That's
it
it.
scrolls down. Got it.
Yes.
Okay, the kind of pages. Nice. Fine.
What do you think?
Okay, so but for that, animations will have to be very limited. I mean, we can't add that mobile thing which Ashish did for us. We can't add that and those kind of stuff. You get it right?
Hey, because that
Bit-
Lottie
Yeah,
specifically.
I got it.
want.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we can't have those. We can have
Yeah, yeah,
simple
yeah.
ones. Simple, elegant, good looking, and
Mind-blowing stuff.
This whole time then, guys, we probably didn't even need a green sock in it. We just probably needed just a Lottie animator, huh? Lottie or whatever.
yes, Lordy.
Lottie, yeah.
Okay, so then it's just we can't do stuff like the wolf stuff then, right?
I don't know what that was made using, but then
Green sock. It was green sock.
you sure about that? Because if you look on that, the background just feels like a animation that just crawls with you. No, that stays on the same place as you scroll. That works as you scroll. And once you hover over those lines, there's a overlay over that. I mean, the color changes, the color of the dog change, the wolf changes. So I don't know. Be right back. 2 minutes. Cool.
Is that Rush?
Yeah.
Well, now this is gonna be a lot easier than it. That's all we have to find. There's so many of them on here.
I didn't get it, Alex.
Lottie or whatever. There's so many of them on here. There's so many Lottie and graphic designers.
Did anyone reply?
Not yet, but I just started posting literally but
Okay.
yeah, there's tons of them. I just couldn't help. I feel really bad. I couldn't help with the communication. It was just like,
Alex, I completely get you. I mean, even I was trying to get each and every word what he was trying to say, but then, I just couldn't understand him completely. There was a lot of communication barrier, so that's fine.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hang on real quick. Let's see.
So what about these people? Prasoon and Saurabh HS. I don't know. Who are they, by the way, Alex?
Wait, hang on. Wait. It says the site you shared seems to use Canvas.
What?
It says. He said this one guy said the design. He says I design and do front end development for the same. Any animations related to JavaScript framework can be taken up. The site you shared seems to use Canvas. I do not work with the same. If you need front end work done, you can take the convo further. What does that mean, Canvas? Can you Google that really quick?
Yeah. Let me just do that.
The fuck is wrong with Canvas?
HTML canvas. No, that's not the one. The graphics canvas element. Yes, it's like a tag, Alex.
What do you mean?
That's related to HTML, and it's like canvas is an element used to draw graphics on a web page.
So who do we need to do that?
I don't know. This is the first time I'm looking at something called canvas. Let Roshan come.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, Roshan, what is a canvas?
Canvas is basically a place where
No, I'm
it's a
asking.
part
I'm
of the web.
asking.
It's
I'm
part of the
asking
web
about.
animation.
I know that it's a part of the web animation. Is that something? No,
No,
canvas
no.
is something like a platform or
Animation.
something.
Oh, that kind of that I know.
That question, yes.
Okay, right. Wait, what? Canvas outside. I don't. Canvas.
So Alex was chatting with this one guy. Alex, can you
Yeah.
explain Roshan that?
Yeah. He said that
Uh-huh.
he said that site uses Canvas and he doesn't use Canvas. He said that's not front end. He said
Arun, can Alex open new tab. Just type canvas.js. JS.
Canvas.
Canvas JS. There's something called
Canvasjs.com. Simple JavaScript API.
oh
Chart types, file document.
hey no
both.
like what are you talking about?
So this
No,
is
it
what
just
we need.
gives-
No, I don't know. Like I thought it could be one of them.
Why is this giving me a camel chat graph?
Yes, exactly. What canvas is he talking about? See, there's a canvas which I know. Animations always lie only within canvas.
Okay.
So canvas is like a, you can call it a div, Tarun. You get it right?
Okay. Canvas is that's what W3 school says. I mean, it's just
Oh.
a tag in which you can put in all of your graphic
Yes.
works. Damn, I learned some new stuff daily, dude.
Oh, this guy's just like embarrassed that he can't do it and he's just trying to make up something.
Who?
This guy right here, is he just embarrassed that he can't do it or something? Oh, it stopped sharing your screen. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, you're sharing it, dude.
Yeah, see right here, he just says, I've had a look. He's acting like he can't do it because he doesn't do.
Design and do friendly for the same. Any animations related to JavaScript frameworks can be taken up. The site you shared seems to use Canvas, and I do not work with the same. If you need any front-end work, then we can take the convo further. Okay. The site you shared seems to use Canvas.
But exactly, what does he mean? Is it a
What does he
tool like
mean?
Webflow? Maybe.
I don't
right?
know.
I think he's just lying because he can't.
Maybe.
There's tons of people, by the way. So as soon as we get our animator, as soon as we get our Lottie developer, I think we'll be able to head off and like do good. We just need to get that person, which there's tons of them. Like just waiting on them to answer. And then once we have that, I mean, I think our site will be pretty much going quickly. But we just need to decide like what. Okay, well, besides, I'm still looking for a project manager. By the way, I might just get Ivan, but Ivan wanted to do a whole new workflow. Ivan didn't even want to do this kind of workflow. He said nope. You see this guy right here? He said nope. So what's he mean?
Huh?
Nope.
I think Roshan, he too means the canvas tag for HTML because I just typed in canvas animation and then everything that pops up is related to HTML5
He
canvas.
said not JS.
Yeah, not the JS library. Okay.
Just the canvas by HTML. Creating a simple HTML5 canvas animation, blah, blah, blah. 15, can you?
No, why can't we do that? It's probably
I don't
hard.
know.
That's different than Green Sock. Then we've been looking for the wrong person.
Guys, I'll have to leave in another 10 minutes for lunch. I'll be back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, fuck. Okay. Or say we use AGS to create the front end.
Okay.
Canvas is used to render it.
Arun,
What the fuck does
Yeah.
that? What does that?
Say we use JS to create the front end. It's used to render it.
what the heck is he talking about?
Let's see. Say we use a JavaScript to create the front end. So Canvas is used to render it. Roshan?
I don't know.
Even
Now
if
I'm
Canvas is part of HTML, how can a HTML render something, bro? It's just a scripting language, right? And
Now I
technically,
doubt.
a
Now I
browser
doubt if
renders.
he's a. Now I doubt if he's a developer, like web dev.
SVG web animator, friend end dev. You've gotten 3 other messages, Alex. Hi there. The site is working now. I have gone through it. What?
The dog studio site is working. What the heck? Tarun, like, damn. Wait.
What does he mean by that?
Exactly. Site
It's
is
too long for
working.
it to load on his end, probably.
Lol.
Okay.
Hey, what? Okay, wait. I'll be 1 minute.
Okay, 3D designer and front-end developer. That's literally what you put over there, right?
Not 3D designer.
But you put front-end dev.
Oh, what about her? Just kidding. Oh, look at this guy.
Types Angular JS, TypeScript, front-end expert. Roshan, what is Angular JS? Rush. Okay, be back in 2 minutes.
Look at this guy. He's cocky. Best software developer in web. Great.
Okay, like 3D web dev. Mhm. Like I don't get the way Upwork like matches everyone's profiles. PowerPoint expert in this one, damn.
Who, her?
No. As I was scrolling, I saw one guy like a PowerPoint expert. Like why did he and like I
This
don't know.
guy. What's this? What's Angular JS? Angular?
Angular is another JavaScript framework.
What does it do?
Hey, it's like React. Oh, D3.
Oh.
Invite to job. Invite him. Invite this guy. Eugene.
Already did. Oh.
Yes. Okay, you did. Okay.
What is D3?
So
Roshan?
D3 is a JavaScript library for making this one 3D models.
Okay.
I think Doc Studio uses D3.
Are you eating?
Lunch. Yes.
Huh?
Lunch.
How come you're eating and still staying in front of your PC?
Mom's in class. Otherwise, I would have got screwed.
Obviously, Viraj. Like,
You guys crack me up. These are so funny. By the way, did you guys like Cameron yesterday, or like she's kind of annoying, or what?
no, she's not annoying, dude.
She's good.
She's pretty good.
She knows
Yeah.
what she does. So.
I mean, Roshan, don't all of them.
I know, right? Fuck. Oh, here we go. You know, there's people who literally get. Look at this guy. Let's get here. You know that there's people who literally get paid just to do freaking like if people pay them, it's just like what are they called? Banners. That's all I keep hearing about, banners. They can do HTML banners. $300,000 earned. Wow, he's had to do a lot of work. Some people are just such jipping people out like on jobs. Like any fucking invites, please. Oh, so you declined it? Oh, really? Did you? Who's this guy? What about him?
Show his profile. Where are you?
This guy. All right, guys. You guys want to meet back in a little bit?
Yeah, dude. I'll go have lunch and be back.
All right. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Are you gonna stay on, Rush, or what?
Bye. Bye, guys.
Okay, bye, T. Rush, you gonna stay on or what?
Okay,
I'm
but
just gonna leave it up.
this
I'm just
guy.
gonna leave. Huh? I'm just gonna leave it up. Just floating, I guess. Just like we don't have to talk or anything. Let me see. Just give me a moment. Okay, cool. Yeah, you made it. Okay, there's Lazy Monk. Okay, cool. There's Lazy Monk. Did you see him?
Yes.
Like this guy for graphic design and stuff. So we'll just do, okay, Lazy Monk is, so how do I add him to the, how do I do this? Wait, okay. Lazy. How do I find him at? Where is he? Okay, wait, right here. Look at Tuck. Look, Rush. Look. Tuck's in the general chat. Look.
Okay.
Look at him. Look, he's in the general chat. Do you see me? Look. Rush, look.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that.
He's so freaking
It's
funny.
there.
What's he doing in there? He's just like, I feel bad for him kind of, but what are you gonna do? Like, I don't know. You know what? All these people that we have, we can just build our own. We should have like our own server or something, like our own community. You know what I mean?
Lol for these guys.
Yeah. Well, technically, we're building a community right now. Like all these people coming in here, like. Who's talking? Roche, is it you? Who's on the
Oh,
background?
lol. That's mom. She's taking a class.
Oh, she's not mad. I thought she was mad at you for a minute.
No, she's not.
Did she ever get mad at you? Like scared of her? I'm scared of my mom, dude. When she gets mad, I run. I'm like, no.
Lol.
What kind of class is she in?
She teaches what do you say? History.
Oh, really?
History and civics. So what do they call civics in the States? Like it's a subject. I forgot what's the name they call it.
That's pretty cool. She likes doing it, or like, so was she
Yeah,
teaching
she likes
history?
doing it.
What kind of history though?
So history over here from class 1 to 10 it's divided. I mean 3 to 10 class grade 3 to grade 10 it's divided equally. So from 3 to 5 you have Indian history, then from 7 to 8 you have the whole world history and stuff like how the how people started doing and stuff, those kind of stuff, lame stuff. I didn't like that.
Yeah. Nice. What did she ever teach American
kind of
history?
No American history, dude. Only Indian and this one world history. Nothing else. Nothing. It may change anytime soon. I don't know.
So she's really smart then. That's really good. So that's where you get your smarts from. Your mom.
What? Like,
Where's your dad? What's your dad do?
I'm-
Your dad's a banker?
no, that's Tarun's dad. My dad's electrical foreman, so
Cool. That's really neat.
that's not cool. Like, he doesn't like it.
A foreman? Well, that's dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous, but he doesn't like it. Like, the issue is like, please don't put this in the recording. Like, the
Here,
dad
I can
has
turn it off the
farm-
recording. Hang on real quick. I'll turn it off.
Hey, Alex.
Hey, I'll be right back.
Yep, cool.
Hey, there's someone else that says they can do the same thing. Should I ask him to the meeting too, or
What's his name?
Dimitri?
Dimitri. I think he entered our meeting yesterday, right?
No, let me see real quick. We need to make it like where they can wait in the waiting room. You know how to do that? I'm gonna make you the host, Tyron. Make it. You know what I'm talking about? People like waiting in the waiting room.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, let's do something like that. Made you the host.
Yep, done.
Like put them like in the waiting room, I guess, or like make it like that. So I just.
Security, yeah, done.
All right, cool.
Yep.
All right, so cool. Okay. All right, I'll be right back.
Yep.
The heck with camera son.
I saw that.
Hey, I don't know why this camera, no, like it focuses on the face, da.
That's what it should do,
So,
no?
like literally so close. Look at this. I keep it like what, one whole handspan
Gosh,
across, almost two handspans, and still focus on my face. I hate that.
hey, what's that? Like,
What?
why do you? Are you? Damn, your forehead looks pretty big.
Ah, that's because hair is short, dude. Like full short. Like in
Okay,
summer,
so I've enabled this waiting room thing, Roshan. So there's another guy who's gonna join.
like
Dimitri.
pause the thing, right?
Pause what?
Pause the recording. It's useless, right? Don't you think so?
Why? Why though? How do
Okay,
I
you want
pause?
recorder.
I'm not recording it. Alex is recording, so
Oh,
I cannot
then
pause it.
fine. Anyhow, she'll have to edit this out. So yes, that's one.
Yeah.
Including right now and sounds like the wait room, etc. Damn, Alex being his own professional. Uh-huh.
What?
Have a look at Discord.
Let
Find
me
it out.
join you.
Yeah, I'm
No.
setting it to do not disturb. It. Punch.
What? The
Discord status. Like
what?
literally, dude, so many messages and servers, especially in the evenings. People keep spamming us.
Yeah.
So how's life? All good?
Didn't we literally speak 5 minutes ago?
The guys, the people who are watching the recording don't know, no?
Oh, future proof.
Mhm.
Uh,
So
what do we get started on, by the way? Until
I
people
have an idea,
join.
product idea.
Yeah, tell.
And
Go on, go
no,
on.
that's when Alex comes. Nope.
Okay, okay.
I
Till
forgot.
that,
Like what is okay, nothing. So yes,
hey,
so we'll
okay.
start in the wireframe. Open the Figma. Like
Wireframe is done. What are you talking?
I mean, like the other pages, da? Like
We
how
are
many
having
pages?
just one page, no?
Okay, I meant the project management tool thingy.
Project management tool. We'll start with the design, you mean?
We don't have
If
a
you want,
wireframe
we can
for that.
start
It's
with
not
the
yet
UI.
completed. It's not yet completed.
Yeah. Wait, what is our priority? The app or
First the website, but for like I just told you, we can do it for now.
okay. Fine, come on, that thing.
I'll beat you. We literally wasted 5 minutes.
Where is it? Where
User
is
section
it?
pages,
Ah,
right?
it is over here. Yes,
User
yes.
section pages.
Roshan,
I'm
what until
deleting
we
the
have to
other.
meet?
Yeah, like the price. I don't know, dude. I want to get it soon, but if you don't like the sale get over, I don't want to. It's not a sale, right? Like it's on a discount. I don't know how long it's gonna be.
What percent discount?
I don't know. It should be 28 or something. It's 22. Another one is 30. That's 24.
Okay, nice.
I don't know.
I
That's the
think that's a pretty good price, right? Like, will you get much cheaper in SP?
I think.
Okay. Hey, but I don't know about monitors, but I don't know why, bro. Like Ryzen 3600 is just close to 250 bucks. That is like 15,000. Okay, but then online it shows 21. For 21, I can get a 30. No, 27. No, 36. 3700X. Yes, 3700. Don't give me OCD, man. Bring it. Like align it with it.
Mm-hmm.
Shut up, Ilanite. What are you doing? Hey, leave it. Hey Roshan, did I show you this? Like I made this login register. See if you want to use that UI. Go back to files and there's
I saw that. I saw that mock-up.
yeah.
Yes. Did you
Which
make that
was-
completely?
Yes, I made that completely.
Bro, what?
Yes, man. Even the illustration.
Hey,
Sorry,
alright.
illustration. I got the color palette from illustration. Even the color palette.
Okay, except the illustration, everything else you did.
Yes. The illustration I got it from Envato.
Bro,
And also the
nice
logo.
one. Da. We can use this then. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, done. This is a design now. Leave this. Like, don't name it like login sign up markup. Name it as this one, the design or something. Yeah, Vish.
Oh, okay. But
So this
actually, is it good? Like really?
it's shut up. It's not good. It's way better than good. Like I
Yes,
liked
sir.
it. Dude. I liked it. I really
Same
liked it.
things, man.
Damn, that's actually good.
Bro, but the only thing is like if you zoom in into G, no, it's actually I couldn't get a what is it? I
That's
couldn't
fine.
get a
That's
Google
fine.
Meet.
This you'll get this one. Da. Like there's something called Font Awesome.
Okay.
Font Awesome icon. So I use icons from there. It's free.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, I can see me.
Hey Roshan, yeah, I thought of making one site similar to Recap After Use. I want to try out all of these stuff they have in it.
Hmm.
Maybe literally I'll try to clone this one. Roshan?
Yes. No, it's just
Can-
renaming.
Okay. Can we do mouse hover thing on CSS instead of JavaScript?
Guys, someone's in the waiting room. Alex is in the waiting room. I'll be right back though still.
Tarun?
Oh shit. That's why I was sharing my screen so I couldn't see.
Sad
Admit.
how many hours he would have been waiting. Why Tarun? Why?
Hey. I clicked on admit. Yeah, he's here.
Didn't connect to audio.
Hey Alex.
He didn't connect his audio. You can't hear.
He did, right?
No,
Just did.
no.
How can we see if someone's connected or not?
There'll be a mic icon. Now he's connecting again. Now connected. Alex? Yeah, muted.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
Hey Alex, this is Tarun.
Hey,
Hi.
I'm Roshan.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too.
So Alex
So
will be back in some time.
yeah.
Alexandria.
Till then- Yeah.
Can
So
you guys go and start without me though? Like I really have to finish this thing I'm doing really quick. Okay.
Okay.
okay, no props. So yes, Alex. So what do you know about us till now? Like, did anyone brief you about us?
Yes, that my future task will be to animate your future website using GSAP, using
Yeah.
scroll trigger.
Yep.
Yeah, and I know something about laptop that it will open while you scroll.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. So that was the idea we had. Yeah, Alex.
Mhm.
So yeah, so something, not the exact thing what I'll show you now, but we got this idea from this. So Alex wanted it to be something colorful like this. She likes the way how code looks on a text editor.
Excuse
So
me,
she
can
wants.
you repeat one more time, please?
Your voice broke, dude. What? Alex?
Excuse me, can you repeat one more time?
Okay.
Yes, I will. Yes, Alex.
Mhm.
Yep. So here's the thing. Alexandria really likes the colors of, the code on a text editor, the
The-
way it looks, the colors and stuff like that. She likes the idea of that. And also, so our idea for the site was something like you open, and on the landing page, you can see a computer screen. As you scroll, it just turns kind of into a mobile screen. So as I scroll, the computer screen just turns into a mobile screen, and users can interact through that. So yeah, what do you think about that?
In GSAP bonus plugins, there's a Morph SVG and Draw SVG, and
Yeah.
you can accomplish
Yeah.
this effect using those plugins.
Hey, Alex.
Uh,
Sorry, guys. I'm here. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, sorry, Alex. I mean, by the way, guys, remember it's gonna be like the wolf. Remember the wolf, the dog studio. It's gonna be
Dog
like
studios.
it's gonna be set up like in the center of that. So it's gonna be like kind of floating. Like from Dog Studio, remember?
Yes, got it.
Something like that. Like, what was your idea earlier, Tyron? You said you had an idea you wanted to tell us or something.
Yeah, I just told
Tarun, your voice is
Alex
breaking.
it.
Tarun?
So, is it breaking even now?
No,
No, it's fine.
we need like a whiteboard or something. Can you go to whiteboard maybe, or like, that we can like explain it on? What's that site again? It's like whiteboard through is it through Microsoft?
You can do it in Figma also.
Yeah. Do you know how to do that, Tyron?
Is he there?
Hello?
Tarun?
Man,
Tarun?
you guys on your phones? Is that why?
No, he's on his PC. Look at that. He's sharing the screen.
Oh shit, huh? Tyron. Maybe it's a blackout, huh?
Maybe.
Oh, it's a blackout. We
Yes,
lost him. Okay, then I will make, let's see, who's gonna be the host then? Let's make let's see, make host. Okay, Roche, go ahead. Maybe we can go like on a whiteboard or something like that, so we can kind of like explain like what we were talking about or something. I mean, however you want to explain it, Roche.
Okay, on a whiteboard.
Like you remember like what Maddie would use, how he'd kind of like explain things through like a whiteboard.
Okay, his whiteboard on Zoom.
Is there a whiteboard on Zoom?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Just kind of like explain like what we were thinking.
So basically, I think, can you see my whole screen?
Yes.
I can see your whiteboard
Yeah.
in Zoom.
Okay, you can't see my screen. Man. Shoot. I wanted to show you this. Let's recap after this. So basically, we wanted this thing, the laptop which you see over here. So as soon as our site loads, instead of this dog, we want a laptop. Okay. So we have a laptop. As you scroll, it's gonna move around. It's gonna open up the lids.
Tyron's in the waiting
lid
room. Tyron, okay, he's like, guys.
Admitted.
He's
Sure.
stuck in the waiting room.
Admitted. Yes.
Okay, T, are you back? Okay, cool.
Okay.
Hey,
So,
sorry,
as-
some
yeah.
network error.
Okay. As you scroll, what we want is the laptop will be closed. As you scroll, it opens up, and there's code coming out of the laptop. So that happens only as you scroll. So instead of the dog rotating and stuff, like we want some code to come out.
Or maybe the
That's
code
what-
can,
that was-
kind of spin around the computer, maybe, right? Or like the code can
Yeah,
make
like in a form of a helix, like laptops over here, it can scroll, it can go top as you scroll or something. And that's what we were thinking.
That's what we
So
were
is that
thinking.
possible? My first question is that possible?
Yes, sure, it's possible, but I have a few questions and
Okay.
a few statements.
Okay.
On Doc Studio website, they are using 3GS.
Okay.
because
fine.
there's a 3D model.
Okay. Got it.
What are you planning to do? You want to make a
This
3D
laptop.
model of a laptop that will transform?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
But do you need it at 3D, or it can be just like in the recap after use?
Like we want a 3D because it's gonna rotate, right? So like this
Why,
kind of
Alex? If,
rotation.
if we're gonna do progressive, what maybe we can get like his opinion. We tell him like what we do. Maybe.
Okay, so yeah, so Alex, what we do is we build progressive web apps for our clients. Okay, so we wanted something 3D for our 3D and interactive for our landing page. So what would you say? Do we need a 3D one because we wanted to optimize for mobile too?
Yeah, because I mean, if you're gonna see this, when you like Alex, if you're gonna see a website like this is pretty like. Would you probably trust people to design your website or whatever we end up doing? Kind of in a way, doesn't really matter what we end up doing. If we have, because we can do pretty much all of it. But if we have this though, I mean, you're gonna probably go to us. I would assume, right? I mean, you can even. I mean, something as great as this. That's the whole point of this. We want to reel in people by the homepage. Like we want to reel in people by the we want to wow them by the skills that it took to design our website, I guess is what I'm trying to say. That's why it's important for us to kind of do something, but not too overwhelming, because I've seen some websites where like you can interact with it, but it's like too much. It's like almost like too interactive, like or once you like grab the apple and like throw the apple, like I don't want to do all that. But like we want, maybe this is even a little bit too, it doesn't even have to be exactly this intense, but we want, it's something to wow people, I guess. We were going to specialize in animation at first. Like we were going to specialize in animated websites at first, but we've kind of switched from then. Now we kind of have like a project management app that we're going to be trying to like sell as well. So pretty much, yeah. So I mean, we want to make it to like, if you're going to go on our site, you see something as like great as this, you're going to, I mean, everyone that I've shown the site, they're like, yeah, this is amazing, So like, can you give us your opinions or like what your feedback is maybe then, or?
Have you ever seen a Dog Studio website on a mobile phone?
It's normal on mobile.
Yes.
Okay, but listen, our plan for mobile though was we were going to have interactive on mobile. We were going to make it, but very small. Like we were going to make it like maybe like where like a line of code follows you as you're scrolling on your mobile phone. We weren't going to make it like that on mobile, because I mean, even Dog Studio isn't like that on mobile. Even on mobile, they're not like that. It's just, yeah. It's Dog Studio doesn't have
Yes,
isn't interactive on mobile.
because Apple policy has annotations with 3GS and with WebGL graphics in web browsers, Safari
Yeah.
especially.
Hmm.
So I can help you create a wow effect using GSAP without 3D modeling. I can
Without 3D mode.
I can transform laptop. I can open laptop, then transform it into iPhone, for example.
Okay.
But it will be without 3D, because
okay.
this website is very heavy when
Alright.
you using your video card for
Got it, okay.
rendering.
Hello.
Hello, Alex.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's how it looks on mobile. Yeah.
Yes, it's static. It's not moving. It's not even hovering, dude. Like nothing, just static.
Yeah. Because Roshan obviously cannot hover over a mobile, right? I think you'll just have scroll animations.
Yes.
I would be okay with that. I would be okay with like a line of scroll like following as like it's, you know what I mean? Because
Yeah.
it's already a tiny screen as it is. You don't want to like overwhelm people like on a small screen, especially because like your screen can be like really shitty graphics, or not everyone has an iPhone. You know what I mean? Like, so some people have like old school. So like I understand that, and like what Alex was saying, it's heavy. So it's like, I mean, they're saying to start on mobile
Yeah.
first, but we would obviously do desktop first and then go to mobile.
Yes, it's heavy, but it also has problems with Safari browser. When you go to Safari settings, there you can by default WebGL there is enabled,
Okay.
and you should enable it manually.
Okay.
on iPhones on Safari.
Hmm.
Right now, we're looking for someone to draw or design the laptop and stuff, which Roche and Tyron said they could, but they have to focus on other stuff as well. I mean, you can't. So you said that you just don't really like drawing that much, Alex, or
I can try because there is it's not a complex item to draw. I just need a better understanding how it should look.
yeah, I understand. We just obviously we can't
Yeah.
completely take their idea. Obviously, I want us to tweak it. I want us to use it as like a reference, but I mean, I was thinking that, okay, see, this is a laptop. I was thinking it'd be cool to use like an old school computer setup kind of thing, you know, like with like this, with the same colors. Like if you use like an old school, like I mean, I'll pull up something, maybe I can find something like an old school looking like computer back in like the 1980s or something. Like, hang on real quick. I'll show you a picture right now. I'll show you what I mean. Like something like, I'm gonna share my screen real quick, okay?
Yeah, well, like
Um,
Pentium.
Can you stop sharing screen?
I stopped.
Oh, you did? Oh yeah, make it or enable the can you enable the screen share to be like for everybody?
Yeah, that.
So hang on real quick. Okay, share. Okay, so like this. See something like this?
Mhm.
I think it'd be kind of cool to have something like that. Like you guys see what I mean now?
Yes.
Something,
Got it.
something kind of like old school like this, maybe like, and then we can make it old school and maybe like transform it into like a phone. Cause I mean, if we're gonna be do progressive web apps, cause like also what if we don't want to do progressive web apps? What if we choose to do something else? I think it should be something versatile to like where it could be, you know, it could match. I don't know what I'm trying to, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I always like the old school kind of Nintendo, old school video game look for some reason. I always thought that was kind of cool. So maybe something like this, like spitting out, and then like as you go onto it, maybe it spits out code or like the black screen comes up with like the matrix, like, you know, like the green across, just, but something mild, not like crazy, like just something, you know, I don't know, just, you guys know what I mean, right?
Yeah, we get it.
That's how we can switch it up
Mhm.
though. Instead of taking the laptop version, we can do the kind of like old school version. How do you guys feel about the old school like version of it? Do you guys like it or what do you guys think? Not really.
The old school version is
Yeah,
good.
Roshan, stop it, Roshan.
Oh, this is a cool tattoo, huh? I like that tattoo. I would have a tattoo like that. What, you guys don't like it? What you guys, since when are you guys shy? See, look, I like that. That's cool.
Yeah, that's.
You know what I mean? Stuff like that.
Can you explain like how we gonna implement it? Like I didn't get the idea of implementing it.
Okay, so Alex was like,
Okay.
why? Yeah, you can explain. Yes.
How I will implement it.
Yeah.
I need SVG vectors to morph it from one state to another. So I will have SVG state for old school computer, and then I will have SVG state of iPhone, and then I will just transform one into another. I don't know
Okay.
what to say.
Okay, Alex, if you want, you can pick the person. If you want to hire them for us, you can pick them. I'll pay them. Just if you want to pick the person to do the drawing, you can. Since you're going to be working with it the most, maybe you should pick the artist. If you want to find somebody for us. Let's see, probably. You know, and by the way, you know, we don't want to offend anybody because some people don't really like iPhones or Apple. So like we shouldn't make it specifically an iPhone at the end. Maybe we should make it like an obviously a modern phone, but we shouldn't make it look specifically like an iPhone, you know, because some people really might honestly, just because they like Android, not even want to like, they'll be haters or something, you know, believe it or not, people are like that. So obviously the new phone doesn't have to be like an iPhone. It can be like a newer phone or something.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, some people are like that, guys. Some people are really weird about like Android and Apple. Like they'll like fight to the death over it. Like I've seen people like on Reddit, like literally like threatening to kill each other over it. They're like, I'm gonna come to your house and fucking kill it. Like over an iPhone and an Android like debate. It's crazy. I'm just like, okay, wow.
Yeah.
So yeah. Like I said, you know, I mean, but like I said, also at the end of the day, I don't want you to do anything, Alex, that you don't like or that you don't enjoy. Do you feel like this is a project that you would actually enjoy doing? Like, would you enjoy something like this, or does it just kind of be like work to you?
I'll definitely enjoy it because it's a unique unique website, not a template one, not a high conversion website, not a high conversion landing page. It's just a wow effect landing page.
If you pull
That's-
off something like this, that would be pretty
I-
badass. You know, that would be pretty cool.
Excuse me?
If you pull off something like this, if like you could pull off something like this and like you could go and show your friends like, look, I did that. Like that would be an accomplishment. You know what I mean? Like we'll even put it up for the AWWW awards, and who knows, maybe we could win. You guys never know.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep,
that's
let's
the
do it.
main idea of the website, but what else should be there?
Well, obviously we don't want to take away from the land. It's going to be one page, obviously. And then, well, we need to also implement our project management tool into it as well. But we were thinking maybe we like kind of like the one page idea versus the multiple page idea. How do you feel about that? Like as far as a website being multiple pages versus, because we definitely need a blog area. So we might need a separate page for the blog.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, I think though that we shouldn't have 1,000 pages. Like I want it to just be maybe like, we can fit as much as we can on the first, like on one page, and then we can put like the main stuff like somewhere to like the left or right, like, okay, blog, you know, sign in, you know, stuff like that. So I think we're gonna have to do multiple pages, unfortunately. But I mean, just because we're using multiple pages doesn't mean we need 10 pages. We can have, you know, 4 pages, 3 or 4 pages. I'm thinking like max. I don't think we should have like a whole list of, I think it's just confusing and it's overwhelming, you know, to
Okay.
have that many.
Yeah, I got it. Also, I have a question. Do you know your target audience?
Yes, our target audience is going to be startups, small businesses, and businesses who are. But okay, the next thing what I'm gonna talk about is not like right after launch, but then a bit time. So we're gonna help businesses get their own project management system. So there's a bit of timeline for that. At launch, it's gonna be small businesses and startups. Those are the main target audience for us.
You guys want to show them the project management tool real quick? Or like how we have,
Yep.
how we would have like set that up?
Yep.
All right, cool. We're gonna show
Roshin,
you real quick.
there?
Okay, like who's sharing? You're sharing? Or I'm sharing?
Do it.
Roshan, you do the best at, well, Tyron does too, but Roshan does a really good explainer, like how he explains stuff.
The heck?
Yes, Roshin, do it.
Mhm.
It's crazy. You can do animation in Figma. I had no idea. That's crazy. See, like, wow. I had no idea. So there's a plugin called what again?
Right click, Roshan, right click and go to plugins.
Figmation.
Where is it?
You have to
Figmotion.
download, right?
Figmotion. I see it.
Oh, this one. Correct.
Figmotion, and also Autoflow also does it, I guess. Yeah, this is one. Figmotion is one.
All right, cool. Let's go ahead and let him know. Let's go ahead and show him then. So this is how we were gonna do. We're gonna have a sign in, by the way,
Exit,
Alex.
exit. Yeah.
And we're building an app. So we're gonna be having a phone app, by the way. So we're gonna have a phone app, and so you're gonna be able to log in through the app, through the phone, and then also like this is through like our website, like how it's gonna look.
So this is the dashboard, and this is when the navbar is open. This is the chat page. So we were planning of having multiple pages. So this is the dashboard, the chat page. I don't know what is this one. Okay, this is account one, FAQ section, and this is, we didn't finish the wireframe yet, but we have a brief idea. So we were planning of some so this is a project management tool. So we wanted to show our clients. So if we are using it, if we are the company, assume we have clients. So the clients, we'll have to tell the clients, right? Like at which stage of the project we are currently. So we thought of showing like a progress thingy. So for the progress, we have different ideas. So we can either show them a linear one like this, like front and back end, extras, marketing, this kind of stuff. Or what we thought of having something like Candy Crush, a milestone like thingy. So one branch for front end, one branch for back end, one for marketing, and like that. So we can highlight each one just like Candy Crush. So you highlight the whole path and stuff to show where you are in. So, and the reason why we are going for a milestone like basis is we were planning of asking the clients for payments at each milestone. So we give them something at each milestone, they pay us. So that was the main idea of the progress view page. The account page is like basic, changing your email, name and stuff. FAQ section, we have a chat section. Like many of the people, like we had a lot of project managers in the past, they were like, why one guy specifically, he was like, why do you need a chat feature? Because people are gonna spam you like multiple times, like gonna keep spamming, asking like what's the progress, instead of going to this page. Because some people like asking
They should have
the
an option.
developers at where they are.
They
Yeah,
should have an option.
like
Yeah.
he was like having something like Trello, like an agile system. So we can so basically we add tickets over there, we show where we are. If they want to raise, if they want to like, if they want to change specific change, they raise a request for the ticket, and we can either accept it or decline it, that kind of thing. So like we didn't want that, because we already have a chat and the chat looks good. I think a chat within the tool is good, because the so now our current project manager, she was like, chat section is good. Why? Because many of the PM tools don't have a chat section,
Yeah.
and they'll have to depend on Slack or Discord.
So we're gonna have our own chat. We're gonna make
yes,
our
so
own. We're gonna
if-
have our own
yeah,
chat.
so if
channel.
we are integrating chat, it's gonna sell off. Like it's gonna be good. So that was the reason. It's gonna stay in the same ecosystem. So they
Which is-
don't have
which
to
is
have
huge.
different apps.
That's such a big deal because, like, yeah, you don't have to go off and you don't have to add Slack or WhatsApp. You just it's already integrated inside of it.
So, and now we're sticking with chat, and I had an idea. So the issue, the previous project, the project manager was like, they're gonna spam us. So what I was thinking, we can add a Alex, listen to this. So instead of the text box, first we can add a button, request to chat to the front end developer or back end developer. So when they hit request, we can accept it and like ask them to, then we can enable the chat box so they can talk to us. What do you think?
I love
And
that.
Roshan,
I love
That's
that.
good.
Good job. That was a really good job. Yeah.
Yep.
And remember, we need to make it so clients can use like leave like little notes, like they can like pin a note. Remember, like if they see
Yeah.
something, they can like pin it, like how you would like on Figma or something. You can put like a little note by it and be like, okay, we need to fix that or this or that. You know, to add a so like add an option to like add a comment, like a request chat, yeah, and then like a comment option too.
Pin. We'll forget it, that's it. Yes. And this is a project management tool. Basically, the dashboard isn't done, so we were planning of having like small chunks. So as soon as you open the chat, the dashboard, as soon as you log into the app, you're going to see the dashboard, right? So we were like having a small box which shows the current directly. So in the milestone, they're going to have the whole milestone thingy, like this one. Assume this was a current, so assume we are currently in like what, designing section. So we want just this this node to be shown in the dashboard, and a couple of details related to it. So we didn't design the dashboard yet, so
Okay,
don't
I
know,
have
like,
a
what
few technology questions.
Yes.
Who is gonna develop this one?
We'll be developing. I mainly focus on the back end. Like I don't know a lot of this one, like animation. I'm not an animator. Like I'm a full stack developer, but I don't know animation and stuff. So Tarun wanted to learn front end development. He's a designer basically. He
Yeah.
creates UI.
So
UX
you are
design.
so you are backend developer using Laravel.
Yeah, I'm a
right?
backend developer. Yes.
Oh, okay. And on the front end, you are planning to use React.
Yes, we were planning on using React. So Tarun is actually learning front end development. So we thought like we'll need another guy who has experience in animation too. So yes, that's why we're looking for
Yeah,
one. And we
Taryn's gonna be
found-
working underneath you.
I'm not a React
he's
developer.
gonna be working underneath you. Like
He's gonna be working underneath you
Yes.
to like like anything.
he's
he-
basically learning. You can use
Yeah.
make use of him. So we can work together and stuff.
Yep.
So this was the PM2. Like, it's not yet completed though.
Do you have experience building chats?
Yes, I built. I use. Yeah, I have experience.
He's built apps before.
Using-
Like yeah, you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, he's already.
Yeah, I know that using WebSockets and stuff. Yes, I know.
Ah, yes, that's wonderful. Okay. So
Yeah, and if you do this with us, you'll be a founder technically, you know, and like hopefully this product actually works off and we can actually sell it for like subscription based or
So actually we didn't plan of selling this. So
yeah, we didn't even
were
plan on selling it.
So we were planning on using this for ourselves. So we were planning on making it easier on ourselves.
Yeah.
And
And then someone was like,
project
"Oh, that's
manager-
good."
yeah, that's really good. Why don't you sell it? And we're like thinking about it. So yes.
Yeah.
That's where we are.
It- yeah, when they were designing it, they were just thinking about themselves. We were just thinking about like ourselves, like, okay, how could we make this easier for us and like our workflow? You know what I mean? And
Yeah.
then basically people are like, wow, this is like really good. And we're like, okay, cool, you know? So then we just, you know, so we'll pay kind of like, you know, like Rike or Monday or like Trello or something. It'd be kind of like that, but obviously way better. So I'm just kidding.
Yes, and planning to make it user friendly because like Trello's very simple. I agree. Like clients can
don't
they
like
can
it.
pick it off quick, but something like Rike and ClickUp is gonna be very complicated for them.
Yeah,
So we thought
exactly.
why we're not making it simple and refrain them from going to Slack or Discord because it's gonna be difficult and we'll also have to pay for Slack and Discord. Not
Yes.
Discord, we'll have to pay for Slack.
We're sick
So
of
why not
paying
make
for
our
it.
own?
That's
We're
a
just gonna, yeah, we're just gonna make our own. We're sick of paying for it. Oh, by the way,
Mm.
Rush, put like little voice memos. Remember, put like that as something.
Huh, okay, I'm writing in that.
Leave like little voice memos. That's like important to leave like little like. I really like that option a lot.
Yes, done.
That's a great idea. That's a great idea, honestly.
You think it's a good
So,
idea?
yeah, I
Yeah.
think that's a great idea. But I'm not a React developer. And I need time to learn it
Okay,
because I'm
no
a
issue.
Vue developer.
Okay, what do you work on? What do you know? We don't mind you coding in any language.
Alex is gonna learn. He even said he's open to learning. Alex is really smart.
Oh, then like
Yeah.
okay, what do you use?
Yes, I'm
Use
open to learn.
Angular or Vue? Like
But I used Vue, and
okay, Vue. Okay.
at my current job, I'm using Vue also.
Hmm.
And I heard that Laravel and Vue are best friends. So I don't understand why you use React.
Like I started with React, so I know React. So I was thinking like why not teach Tarun? So Tarun also liked React, so he was
okay,
willing
okay.
to learn. Like he didn't like normal JavaScript, so I was like, bro, give React a try. I taught him a bit of the basics and he liked it. So yeah, views
Okay,
Tarun in
okay,
Vue is
okay.
also simple.
Yes, they are familiar. They're similar.
Yeah, similar.
They are
Yeah,
similar.
I guess Vue. It's
Yeah.
So is this workflow
Oh.
gonna work though? Since he knows one and you guys know one, I mean, is that gonna work?
No, I just need time to.
No, I believe you'll be
to
fine. No, I
fix
believe you'll be
it
fine.
or
No,
whatever.
take as much time as you need. I'm just asking, like, so we want to make it
Like-
easier for you too, Alex. Like, you know,
Yeah, we don't want you to stress out or
can we
something.
call you Alec? Can we
Yeah.
call you Alec maybe? Because it's ALEC.
Alec.
You want to be
Or you can call me Sasha. You can call me Sasha.
Sasha? Sasha. I like
Yeah.
that. Sasha.
Yeah,
Sa-
Sasha. I like that.
that's a Russian name. Okay. So my task for future days is to find graphic designer who will draw old school computer and
Okay.
modern iPhone for me.
Yeah, and
then I
I'm gonna
will,
add you. I'm gonna add you to my
um,
account on Upwork. I'm gonna add you to the account on Upwork so you can hire. Okay. And then my credit card's already linked to it, so you just hire from there. Just make sure you go over it with either me or one of the guys first before you pay them anything. But basically, I'm just gonna add you to the account and you can
Mhm.
hire. You know, yeah. So find somebody. Post like a good post on there, like whatever. You can find someone, and then I will pay you if you agree and everything. Then I will pay you up front. I'll pay you probably weekly if that's okay. Something like that, maybe like every like weekly, like upfront or something like that. Or something, or just something like that. We'll figure that out and everything. You said you want to use like a time tracker though, or something like. I don't really. I don't. We'll talk about all that in person. Okay, that's private stuff. We'll talk about that in personal. You know, detail or whatever. But what would his first? When you guys want to start this or whatever? Like when should we start? Like.
So me and Tarun are planning to start the wireframing and design as soon as possible.
Yeah,
So
I
we
think
started with the
Alex needs to be a
wireframing.
part of the wireframe too, though. He needs to be a part of the whole process from the beginning. So
Okay.
just to be
yeah,
there.
I-
Yeah.
definitely.
Like I think Sasha will need time learning React. Like, what do you think? Will you be able to manage, Sasha? That's our first question. Like learning React
Uh,
and also
Yeah, why not?
okay.
They're
No,
pretty
if you're
similar
fine
with
with-
Vue. Yeah, they're pretty similar.
Okay.
I also had a desire to learn React, but I didn't have enough time for that.
Okay.
So it's not a problem.
Hmm.
Do
Okay,
you
well,
have
and if we
experience
like you, we want you to
building,
stay with us. If we like you, we want you to stay on with us permanently. By the way.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll want you to stay permanent.
Yeah, we're trying to find somebody to stay with our team like permanently. So we're hoping that you'll be a good fit for us because we need someone to stay with us permanently.
It's up to you though.
Yeah, but it's up to you. I mean, if you don't,
Uh,
and us too, obviously. So hopefully by the end of the project, you will have us and we'll have you. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say. So just don't look at
okay,
don't
but
look at this like a project. Look at this like a whole team thing for like a, look at this like a permanent, not really permanent, but yeah, permanent thing, I guess.
I I understand you, but I think it's better for me to take, for example, 4 months as a project, and then we will decide.
Well, yeah, of course. I just
how
want you to keep it in your mind though. That's what I'm saying. Just keep
Yeah.
in the back of your mind that it's
Okay, okay,
yeah, okay.
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 And do we use Trello or Jira, or what kind of environment we have? What our workflow?
We're trying to
Stuff
find
like
we're
that.
trying to find a project. Well, to be honest with you, we're trying to do everything to save money for the team and for the project. Like the guy that we met wants like $300 a week to be project manager. And that's kind of just too much right now. I feel like we can kind of manage it on our own for now. If you recommend any project management tools, I mean, be more than free to like let us know. I can even pay for a subscription for us for something. If you find like a good project management tool that's
Trello
not,
is free.
huh?
Trello.
Trello is free. Yeah, Trello is free.
But do you guys like the workflow flow of
Then we
Trello?
can-
though?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
simple, but
it's a to do.
What about
to do
Jira? What about
application.
What about JIRA?
Yeah,
Jira?
Jira is the same. The
Because
same
I
as
don't care
Trello.
to care to pay for tools to help. Oh, by the way, the
Right.
subscription renewed by the way for the Aveno account. Of Tyron.
What? I didn't get you.
Aveno Elements or whatever, the $30
Yeah,
month.
yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
it renewed and everything, so that's good. So we have that, and then by the way, yeah. So first things first, we're gonna give you our bit. I'm gonna make you a email. How do you want your email to be at mattempty.com? Do you want it to be like your full name, Alexander at email.com, or Sasha at email.com at mattempty.com, or how do you want it?
My surname, my last name. I'll write you down.
Okay, yeah, just write it down if you can. Also, we've been communicating through Discord, so just talk through there. And then we can use Trello, that's fine, but if you guys find maybe something else we can use, it'd be easier for us, let me
Yeah.
know, I guess. Is there any tools that we need right now to make life easier for you guys, or what do you guys need me to get?
I don't know if I can ask this, but Alex, can we get the course UI course which we got that day on Udemy?
Yeah, I will get that for you guys. Do you need me to get you a course or anything, Alec? Sasha?
Not really.
You don't need like
uh,
a React course on Udemy or anything?
No, I already have one.
Okay. Is there any tools you guys can think of that will help you guys? Anything that I can get for us to help us? We already have a DreamHost. That's going to be who we're going to be using for our hosting. But I mean, like I said, we can always use like a different hosting, because remember, DreamHost is only in the United States or whatever. So I mean, but is that going to make a huge difference? Do we realize this? We're not going to be using that to build people's stuff though or anything, right? But I mean, have we considered this, by the way?
Can we think about that in the testing phase, or do we have to think about that right now?
We don't think about that right now. That's fine. Okay, but are there any tools we can think of that you guys need? Like, no project.
As of now, no, Alex. I don't know, but Roshan, what do you say? Any? Two?
Say what? Like, sorry.
Do you need something?
With paid subscription.
No, nothing. Come on. I don't need any subscription.
Okay.
But why?
And Alec, do you use have you ever heard of Zoom, XOOM?
No.
Okay, that's how I'm gonna pay you. XOOM is through PayPal, and basically what they need again, guys, for me to, it's a account number and
Yeah, account number and there's address.
Your address,
Stuff
your
like
your
that.
and your bank.
email.
Yes, we'll talk about it later.
Yeah,
I have
personally, yes.
one last question about the website.
Okay.
Will we develop user journey map for our website?
You mean the workflow, like the flow of the website?
Yes, user
Okay.
flow.
Yeah. So that will be starting on that during the wireframe. So First,
Yeah,
we need a wireframe, right? So we want to know like how many pages we need, like
we're gonna start
and
tomorrow.
then- So yes,
Yeah, we're gonna
Okay.
start that tomorrow.
from tomorrow.
yeah.
So what time will you be free, Alex? Sasha?
This time is comfortable with me.
6:30.
Okay,
Okay,
so-
that's kind of a little bit late for me, but that's fine. But that's fine.
Is it late?
Okay, so what time's best for all of you guys? So 6:30 a.m. is best for you guys.
PM.
time?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Your
6:30.
time.
Wait,
your
Tyron, no, no,
time-
no, no. That doesn't give you guys any time. That's like late in the day for you guys. That's like too much. You guys will have no time by the time you guys go to bed early. You guys go to bed like at 8 o'clock.
Nice.
Oh, that's fine with me also.
Not you. Wait, hang on real quick, Alex. Like, Tyron, you and Rosh go to bed at like 8. So we usually start this at like around like early, don't we?
Yeah, but then Sasha's wait. So how about what
3.
time, Alex? So how about 3 for you? 3 in your time.
Yeah, so 3 would be
For us,
you will be-
3:30. For us, 3:30 something.
so that'd be
3:30.
3:30. What time are you in? What time are you in, Alex or Sasha?
3 p.m. LA time.
Okay, so what time?
What's the time
That-
zone? What's the
no,
time
no,
zone?
no. Wait. That's your comfortable time, right? 3 p.m. Los Angeles time.
Yeah, 3 p.m. Los Angeles time. What time is that for you?
3 p.m.
At least 6 p.m. Yes,
that too late?
6 p.m. is nice. 6 p.m. it's 9 a.m. In my city.
Oh, 9 a.m. Okay. You guys decided time and I'll
So
work around that. Okay,
6
so you guys let me know
6
what
p.m.
time.
LA.
Yeah, as long as you guys have time to work and stuff. I mean, you guys decided time. Let me know. So go ahead and
Okay.
what time, Tyron, Rush? Like
Sasha, what's the time zone?
Yeah. What's
Uh,
your time zone?
Right now it's almost 10 p.m.
but what's it called though? Is it called like
10
Russian time or
PM.
like what's it called?
Wait a moment.
Okay, yeah. How much is it?
Wait a moment. It's plus 8 GMT.
What's
Plus
that thing called,
8
Time Buddy? Or what's that thing called, the time zone thing called Time
world
Buddy?
time, world time.
World time. Okay.
Oh, world time. Okay.
So then if it's 8, okay, so then what time? Okay, then that's up to you guys. I don't know. I'm gonna work on your guys' schedule. So you just let me know. Tyron, what do you guys think?
Okay.
Okay. So how about we can work from how many hours a day? Sorry. How many hours should the meeting go on for? Like a rough estimate.
We can't estimate that. It's just the workflow. I don't know. Because it just depends how everyone's feeling. You know, I mean, if we're gonna be
Yeah,
doing this
that's true.
together. You know what I mean? Let's just think about, okay, how about like, so how many hours are you guys behind then? So India, how many hours are you
Let's-
ahead or behind?
5:30. 5:30. We are
Plus
ahead.
30
5:30.
minutes. Yeah. 5:30 plus 5:30.
How about this? Okay.
Yeah.
Sasha, what time is best for you?
From wait a moment. From 6 p.m. LA time to 4
Yeah,
a.m.
don't worry about
time.
LA time. Don't worry about LA time. We're talking about just your time, like for your
Yeah.
time.
Your time. Yeah.
Okay. My time is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So you don't like to work past 6 p.m.?
I can, but they just
Fine. That's fine. It's fine,
regular
that's fine.
people do. from
No,
9
that's
to
fine.
6.
That's fine. So what would 1 p.m. be your guys' time?
1 p.m. whose time? Our
1
time.
p.m. Alex's Sasha's time. 1 p.m. Sasha's time would be what your guys' time? What would be your guys' time?
So subtract by 2:30, so it's gonna be 6:30.
6:30 a.m.
Wait, 2:30. It's gonna be 5:30. Like 8 a.m. or p.m.
No,
I'm
1 p.m. 1 p.m.
1
1 p.m.
p.m.
Sasha's time will be your guys' time. What?
Okay, so it's gonna be 10:30 a.m.
10:30 a.m.
Yes.
It's not gonna work, huh? Because you guys are school and stuff.
Rashan, we
Let's just
have
do this
2
time then.
hours
You know what? Let's
difference.
just do this time then. This time's gonna work then. Okay, 6:38. This okay? Is it okay with you guys then? We'll do
Yep, I'm
6.
fine.
We'll do 6. We'll do 6 p.m. So we'll do 6 though. Or how about 5:30 or something? Like 5:30, okay?
5:30 is fine. Yeah. So
Okay, 5:30.
for us at 6. Yeah. Fine.
Okay, are you sure that's gonna give you good? Okay, I guess that will be okay because during the day though, what are you guys gonna do? I mean, I guess work. I guess this is only for the meeting though, right? So it doesn't really. You guys can work during the day, right? And then the meeting's at later during the
Okay,
day.
meeting. Yeah, got it. Then fine. Yes,
Does it make any sense? Because I mean,
makes sense. Got it.
okay, cool. Okay, let's do this then. Tomorrow, let's meet back here. Let's meet back at 5:30, like 5:30 p.m. LA time, Pacific time. So that would be, what time would it be for you? That would be, what time would that be for you then, Sasha? Because right now it's 6,
Uh,
so 5:30 p.m. your time. Or my
uh, PM.
yes, 5:30 p.m. LA time is what time for you?
For me, it's 8:30 AM.
No, it would be 8:30 a.m. I'm talking like right now, this time, like around. Let's meet around this time
Right
tomorrow.
now, it's,
What's the time
okay,
now?
okay.
But an
Alex,
hour and 30
that's
minutes back though. So an hour and 30 minutes.
PM.
Yeah. So this time now, but an hour and 30 minutes. Subtract an hour and 30 minutes from now, and that's what time we should meet.
Okay.
What time is it there? What time is it in? What time is it where Sasha is right now?
Almost 10 PM.
Oh, it's
10
late.
p.m.
Okay. I get it now. Okay. So then if it's almost 10 p.m., it would be so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It would be 9, 8. So it would be 8:30 p.m. your time, Sasha.
Okay.
Is that too late? We said 6 p.m. is like the latest. I don't know, guys. This is hard. It's hard when you have so many different time zones. Like it's really hard. I don't know.
We can figure it out. It's not very hard. We can do it. We can
No,
do it.
we'll do it and we'll figure it out everything. It's just
Yeah.
we'll figure it out. So let's just meet back here then tomorrow at 8, okay? Or 8:30 p.m. And what time is that for you guys? Roshan, Tyron, that would be
6 IST.
okay, and then that would be 5:30 p.m. my time. Okay?
Yes.
Yep.
All right, cool. Anything else you guys want to go over or
I
No.
had an idea.
Okay.
Yeah,
yeah,
okay,
what's your
no,
yeah,
no,
I'm
no,
excited. What's your idea, T?
No, Roshan.
T. Come on.
I thought Tyron had the idea. Oh, you do. Okay,
Nope.
Rosh, what is it?
Yes. So my idea was, so Alex, just look at small businesses over here. By small businesses, I mean local shops. I'm thinking about India. Okay, so suppose you have a clothing brand, you just started something, not a clothing brand, a outlet who sells a lot of different different brand clothing. Tarun, like, what do you call it? Outlet.
Outlet. Yeah.
Yeah. So these outlets don't have a lot of publicity because they're by normal people. And suppose you have a provision store. Tarun, provision store in US, like what do you say that? Like
What do they call? General store.
general stores. Yes.
A general
So
store.
these so what if you're living in a new place? So Alex, you shift to a new city. You will have to roam around the whole city to find like which shop is at which place. Like in case you're searching for small shops as these.
We have
So
Google
what I
Maps.
was saying,
Google Maps.
yes, you do, but in India, like it's not.
Oh,
that much.
India,
So
you're talking about India.
no, not in India. Some countries similar to India. So it's just a product, right? So we can sell it anywhere. So
Okay, go ahead. Explain. So then
yes. So what I was thinking, an app, a portal where shops like these can come and sign in so that we can market their products, and where people can search around for the shops like these close to their area so that they can approach to that shop and buy it. So we can take a small commission or something like that. Basically, we are like Uber who are connecting to like the public to the
no,
market.
that's a good
that's-
idea.
is that
It's a good idea.
one? Like, I don't know, but if it sells, we can get passive income. That's right.
Yeah, passive
Yeah.
income. Absolutely. Yeah, that would be. Well, I mean, that would obviously be a little bit later. I don't really know how. I've never been to India. I'm gonna go visit you guys, but I just don't know how that works. So that would be totally your thing. That would be after we do our thing first. I think that would be a good project.
Yeah, after that.
We can
So-
even make it open
Just-
source. We
that
can,
is
we
an
can
idea.
even make it free to help the community or something. You know, we can even make
Hmm.
it like free or something. You know, to help the community or something like that.
Yes.
After we're done with
So
ours.
what I was like, if like we need income, right? So the shopkeepers, so when new users come, they click like what contact that particular shop, we can charge them a like some commission when they get a profit, like when they get a sale or something. That is what I was thinking. So we get money only when the shopkeeper earns new sales or new customers. That's the only thing.
I think it's a great,
So-
yeah, that's a great idea. That would be helping the community
Yeah.
and stuff. Yeah, after we do ours and stuff, I mean,
Yeah. No, not now. Not now.
I mean,
Just
after,
giving an
yeah,
idea.
after we do ours, I mean, I think that would be awesome because we have to keep expanding anyways, you know what I mean? So, and like, but, you know, and we also have to consider our project, if this project management app works, we're gonna have to, we can even make it for agencies, like what she was saying. Remember what, what's her name, Cameron was saying and stuff? We can do something like that. I think though that like everyone says it's a good idea. I mean, I think it is too, but we need to get it patented or something. I need to get it protected. I need to talk to a lawyer tonight or something and get it something like to put our names on it to get it protected. Because what does she say? She says that you need to have someone sign something before they look at it. She said it's called something to like where before we show it to people, like they would sign it.
NDA. No disclosure.
Non-disclosure agreement.
Non-disclosure agreement, yep.
Non-disclosure agreement. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a lawyer tonight or something to write up in a contract or something or something. You know what I mean? Because it would be because I've noticed there's a lot of YouTube videos on that app video, like a lot of YouTube views, and that link is only viewable if you share it. And I'm thinking like I
Okay.
think there's like over 300 views or something on that app link. And it's like how though? Because if it's only that means that people must be sharing that link, showing people
Yeah.
our idea because it's good, you know. So I'm kind of like I think I have to. I'm gonna put that on private. The app thing on private.
Okay.
But I'm gonna have to have somebody to protect us or something. So Alex, what's your opinion? Do you like the whole concept of it, the project management tool and stuff?
Yes, I understood your idea about managing project management app. Yep.
You like the idea though? You think it would be good? Have you tried different project management apps before?
Not really, but I think it's good for small businesses to use it while they in a business relationship with you.
Yeah, we're gonna be able to test it the best because we're gonna be using it for ourselves. We'll be able to test it the most. But I mean, okay, but Alex, what's your honest opinion about our idea for the computer spitting out code and all that crazy stuff? Like, what is your honest opinion? I don't, we believe in transparency and don't feel like you're gonna hurt anyone's feelings or anything. We need honesty 100%. So how do you feel about that idea?
I'm not. I didn't imagine it the right way. I guess I just need some time and see how it will look.
Okay, sure. Okay, cool.
Yep.
All right, guys. So do you guys, Alex, is he our pick? You guys think he's our pick? or-
Yes.
Our pick?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes. Epic.
Everyone agrees? Okay, cool.
Yes, I agree.
Alex, all right,
Okay.
cool. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. Thank
I
you.
love to
Thank you.
work with you, dude.
Yeah, we're
Yep.
excited.
Same
Yeah, we're
here.
excited. All right, guys. I'm
Yeah,
super
I'm excited
stoked.
too.
All right, I'm super stoked. Okay, cool. Let's meet back here tomorrow at the time we agreed, okay?
Cool.
Yep. Cool.
Oh, yep, sure.
All right, guys. Have a good night.
Good night.
Have a good
You
day.
too.
See you guys.
Bye.
I'm in.